Wonderful. What to say? In my kwaba at the Adom TV. You may deal with your cranshen sembre. Na me am ti you may deal who are me who chair me. So when you mean that. But what the actual me? Mate. Meso ediam just so a neat ekutego. And niamede bane say. Ya now so bisa say na den na mabra bon koyi. Aden na misika sebon koyi. Aden kura. When you ask yourself what is wrong with you, the first thing you need to learn to do is to distance yourself from mediocre activities that assign you to an average life. Then you can engage in activities that will elevate your life on a trajectory to massive success. So what you free subaya sabe e yam kwada suban. Nanu na me kan twa konkuru be say me ya kwada no. So asem na me de say me ya kwada no. Me dwene sa kwada na me kire nneoma sa kwada na me tuana muntuo sa kwada na me nyiri ye de mato kwada nneoma na agyagyam to da bia ya nyiri enso asam to ye nea ya kira sesebe kwada na ya bumie na mesuye na enkira se de masam no na Kenya atenka me bro na akenya ne ye mpempenso a wadui wanyini. And distance yourself from mediocre actions. Enema enimu. Enema ensamfata. Enema Kenya atenkapa. Enema Kenya adwene papa no. Twe ho firi ho. Na mom penioma sabe eyem peni adwene. Nyansa kwan. Enema eye Kenya ma nkuranhye ne nsempa na di akire na wabrabo ebeyiye dankwamba. Eban wo sika sam eban wa pomodne eban wa disua no wade a Kenya nneoma eye mpani yo nneoma nneoma apo mature decisions, wisdom laced actions, and decisions that do away with mediocrity. Abrabo ya ma nyina emre 24 hours efri no nsia kosi no nsia obi de enye no nsia to no wotwe. Ba wo pa obehye wo de asentem aya wo de no 9 to no nsia obi so betima hye ne de ase no num to no nsia na emom emre we no ne ade beye ena huhia. You can abuse your time or you can use your time successfully. You can sacrifice your life to do better things or you can assign your life to do worse things that will not give you what you want in life. So we can sempa wo mremu odwan adwene pa wo mremu na atwa na muntuo wo mremu afri no nsia ko si no nsia no kwan bia so be Kenya woni a adwene se wo na benya boafo. Success is for those who take action on the right task. Success empuntuo nyina so eye woni a wo fatimu papa ehunu ne ese wo ye na wo ye ne kwampa so. Success demands discipline. Success demands self-control and success demands hard work. And success demands endurance. Se obe sinkete. Na wa de sefata se keto mpo a sapa na opra wo prema ho atwa. Nya wo ye bia no, you need to endure. And then success demands a belief in yourself. So obeji ho adi na wanya timopo se mesusu me sefata na de me ye so me ye amana ye ye. Create a direction for your life. Chile kwa person abrabo faso and have a dream, big dream. So that papa fa abrabo ho. Ahana pesa me de ma abrabo ko. Me ye ni pesi me se dan kwama na efe wadi akiri anapa. Kwan bia so no da abeso no ebebem. Kwan bia so your dreams can become better. Me come asem mfa dreams so mfa abrabo ho. Ba me abrante ketoa no me so da se me hye nkran dan kwama. Nyasa me so da ma da wo. Da me su gu ma dwen proso me twa mfoni se me dan kwama me yesei edu ba bi kura na me sesa me din na abrofo din ka me din me se me pa abrofo din no me twa abrofo din atwene na me na ye fa me dite kotego wa hu ni a me hihye na me hunu me hu se me yo mama me hye nkran to da ba me so na ko gina mpo ano na me hwe pono na me hye pono nkran me hu pono se o ye nipa na abamu wo da ye so bebem dia be ka kira ho wa dwen pono so no se de tie bia no ebebem antitobo nyabotre ene niamede beja wo no say remain calm, don't struggle, Don't be anxious. If something goes wrong with your life, don't worry. A part of the process. Where you are today will not be the same place you'll be tomorrow. But you can decide to be at a better place or at a worse place. You can decide to be a victim or a victor. Baby, I would day, Nyaho na abejina kosi dan kwamba. Ubetimi asode every baby away akọ anim. Ayo mama, ayo dini, amo abrabo aye krata, ubetimi akan ahye ne ho nkran. Every day of our lives, our life decisions and choices and actions are being written on a blank slate. At the chimbia yama krata abetro ne maguso. E wo kasa, wadwini ene usuban ene betro ne mano. Na de hia ya atenka akanya no. Wa atenka akanya no ne wonne ne wodache. Enti no, your first step is to remain calm. Don't worry. Don't be angry. Don't be sad. Just remain calm. And life will come on its own. So for saying my question and ye abeti atwa kakra atete wa promu na wa hwe ne ma na enko yie no no be say why na menya na aboa me adwen be na menya na aboa me suban be na menya na aboa me na why ne efe na affirmation me metimi aye we I am better, I am bigger, I am stronger than my challenges. We so megina no aye ye I am made in the image of God. Na waja ho me kakra kwambi aso no ebeyi na wata so ahwe nkrahensem na ni tekotego ma hye nkran e Adom TV enioma a wo hwe no ebe kire enioma abeye ensem a wo tatie no ebe kire enioma be kenya wo gidie mentie Fox News mentie nsem a eya beguro menhwe enioma ye hoyo penyansa ensem na tie na penyansa enfoni na twegu adwen proso na pe enioma ekenya adwene pa ekenya atenkapa na fabu obra odofo abrabo no emewe ye we ya hyase wate enyina we so emu ho atan enyina ne awaduru so emu abrabo atan na gina ha na fabu bra na dankwa ma wahwe che kase na anu bi atwa mu no me na me di gare foto so ne me di we na anu bi atwa mu no na me di aduane asabe de ma mo akwa woni ni na de metijade a emia aduane na anu no hu hia te se wo chena tu hu si wo se obaya de ye fata ene dai pe bibi na fa onsayo na wadwene ye pe moa bi firi obi ho na fa ye bibi na ene wo bre kosi mra hia obeka se na anu atwa mu no ene meso eboye din a ebo medin bi wabrabo be ye wadwuma wo ye be ye wo sikasem be ye wapomodini be ye waware be ye wadesua wo sua be ye ni nyina so ene wankasa wadwene wonne ye ne usuban onyame nka ye nyina ho na omie osoro fensi na omanyansa ensuo enware ya adwene na yatenka enyina wodo ene je na hosepeso nempo ye subane enyina subampa so na yenye gidie wo ya ho ne mfantua na montuo na o ma ya boafo ohini prokase ne mayen yenwura mu enya akade yeda wase papa nyankopon kabi mamintie yo odofo me da se wo de wafide to a wo hwe me ma me fa na ase emma abrante Rodolph ababa empo Priscilla na epani baako wo be kampedu se wo bo ame na adwumadie eba wo mfie mu wa wo pa mira wo hwe me so no me da ase woni onyame entina makrao
Adesima ya mamunyina chen ya mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam kasie so ejuada no pensa masie no ne de bro nansa na no yenna ni teko tegwa se papa woni nkran hyensem so enne wode amayen yedanase yebetu ho anamo na wotwe munyina no ba fidie ne na ha ne tie sankran hyensem ibi ne fa bobra eti no nsia boy sam no ne todwa wo mu bi ni yebekọ bore ahemfie ntwumuru na yakwa akɔhwɛ nana ene nipa mienu bi a yeku wo mo no ho nsɛm de yakwa akɔsi ye de eno so ɛbɛbrɛ mo na fe yakwa akɔhwɛ nsɛm foforo mu nana wawuo yi ene nipa mienu no nsase ho manso yɛse akyere nipa bi eno so nsɛm no ye de bɛbrɛ wo ɛyɛ kremoni abayuwa bi a eno so wo mo ma ye fi bi aku no wo bɔɔle no yɛbɛkɔ hɔ ne hɔ nso yakwa akɔtie sansɛm no ensɛm eno ne nsɛm bi na no pa bi de brɛ sa Adom TV Badwam kase medin afia abankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie ensam ni kyeremu ankasa ematan ene asukufo a wo bori ahemfie de to aban nanim said de ekeka kro no aban fa ne nansim na fe asumdwe ntime fa ne ntuma pamfra fi said de ekoso no de ekoba ne say abatan ene school mofra ne ma en won ho kwa hohihiam ebi ni Adom TV kase edi nkomoi
enti babia nana kwame mebo edi na sas enafo ato afise otu otwankofie adono enne na wasre ne kromufo na ne aboboanofo no se omunko boano enti anopa yi be etati mu ho no ye wo honom na kokomafo no atwa ehu ahia na omututun atuo honom na ye sori ya ye omututu atuo no anokore said ya atuo no esu ebae so no enya de a yetumi ejina no ye dwane ekoye enti abra ye dwane no na ye breda no mu mienu de na ye ti so mutia mo se etuo no aka wo mo sisi aye kasa no bako de o ma kofa no edikọ hospital
eno achi ne pa baako bi a owo bɔwe ahemfie ya abra sansɛm no esi ye no wo na afuom eso kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm ne mu de akyerɛ Adom kase no sei ena okan
bacho ndade achi no na yegusu ya mboa sei bekwa afum nti e uma na ya te se omutututu a omuba nti nim ne ekoso na yenyina ye de akwese yekwatena mpenifo fe nti ye kɔ hɔ nom no na yenyina ya kɔhia nti atwa hia pe na omaba etututu ehihye aden nti na ayese akwala kitwa minti na hɔ emma omu ndimi bwane ndimi babɔ nti mi de akwala no dwane kɔ nwuram nti enwuram hɔ na ye free ba na ya be hia ebi mu no na omo se na yesu ye free mfa nti onam na safro na omaba ase omokono ba ko eka se ye de yankan na omugyae nti enne de ye ka se yanwro ya omayeboa
enti
enipa du enai de make say joint police military team Wanomo achrewo ni nyina efa borie ahemfie chief nana mebo kwame otosumienu eni nipa mienu bi ene nipa yi eku won wo krachenchumu mansinimu ewo ti mantam no mu Adom kase etoso
enam basabasa ya ekoso ewo boria ahemfie ye nam so ma nipa bonifuo bi ekum nana mebo kwame a wotosumienu eni nipa mienu bi a wonom ka ho ewo krachenchumu mansinim ewo ti mantam mu ntino a police for achre enipa du nan ya wo susu se won ho bonsa ensensemi mu nesenti wakokora wonom ewo a policefoɔ kukumu ewo ketekrache ewo krache westminster ni mu nana mebo eni nipa mienu a wonom ka ho no ebra wonom kɔ wonom afuo mu na no memene da ena sɛ nipa bɔnefuo yi ekoto hye won so ekum wonom enam basabasa ya ekoso ewo boria ahemfie ye nam so ma nipa bonifuo
Mayento Badwam kase no so na yemfa nkonsam foforo mu na abasiriwa wanya mfie ba aduonum ne din a yenya eyata ene yaba beto dwa se wo maya fi ni bi ene akyekere no ama wato nananom ewo ansiedo na wo mu hyemu a wanya de edi kan enie ebole District Police Commander de afutuo no kokobo na ema wo mo so wote woda de ponko no so motorbikes na wonhwe ho yie pa ne ma ya fi no na ediawu e wo sa kwan no so Adom kase etoso
enrada arehusem a esi wo bole ene se maame bi a ne din ene ata ya wosu se wanya mfie aduonum na wote motorbike so a na wagu ni maya fi nanumu na maya fi bi ekwochichire moto no ho ba bi a eware no ma ne hwefo ma amunumu honom a wo hwere ne nkwa na nei na busua aya amamre ene amane apene korabre nanumu ene wachire mu se kwan a wonom nuaba no efa so hwere ne nkwa ne de wonom ho adwiri won pa ne nyina mu no Bole Mensin Police Commander Superintendent Benjamin Boxton edi ato ema nyina anim se wonom akotena motorbike so a omomodin ase wo behwe se wonom atade a wo hye ene wonom ayafi no enkwachichire motorbike no ho ba bi menkofa o unese biom emma
Nana Kwatwi Bermo Tosumienu ya acting president da Atandasu Traditional Council no ano. Nana sa no krabie nim wona kwadu ahodo bi a wo mode bono no ho adom kase etwaso.
Eno achi no kasamafo no na dwam kan krata no aso wo boss bon wotwe ye omode abo acting president no na no so kire mu se ye mfie du ba ko ni na acting president yi ede nejuma ebi mo so no eba ne sikasem anya de se opanyin no atutu sikasem no eyi ye na me no so ene jetimu eba eku royal family no intem ene nti otokoma acting president no so won twe ne ho se de be ya ombetumi ese oman hene ede ama attendance traditional council no
yawo nana kwantwi bariman yawo charges a asese sa charges ni nyina besi no asese ofri ho se acting president because unqualified so we call traditional ruler traditional rules na so we be acting president a 6 months 6 months no na say ebeduru ho no na say enyoman to ye no ma hini ma ya yesama mandate of 6 months enti no watch bia no na 1 year as I say when to me anya 1 year no ma hini ama o say yesesa no na fofroba na wenti watena ho for 11 years watena ho for 11 years on pese o ma hini fofro ebeba
Majority leader ne hokani Irene Oseche Mensabonsu ne ya ye free hair screening e won Sawam prison Adom kase de akire edeba
na me wo ntimi call Kumasi ne duafie Kumasi Central Prisons na de me hu no to makoma so se a prison for mu hia mmoa honso ye hwe nipa 2500 Timi said de me no ba me sresre adofo ana masumi mu asen na me de ko na se wo mo yesen o se eno de be times 3 na me se mewu me de maye na je se me hwa me figure na out be almost be 5000 mpimnum na me de to me ni so say sa ni pay na me ba be hwe o plus or minus na me se okay timi sresre ya ena me de enya bibi kakra me de abedru hase last year de Indian High Commission ma me no bebre enti me doctors yi ni ya antonru ye wie bebre kai na me sa donate ma the infirmary of the Kumasi Central Prisons and your friends empowerment nti ye adepam ne bepam ana said ye na wo ni so person especially the youth no ma cost ni nyina no ma dodo cost ni nyina ye because ebi oni bibia ye enti then bibia besi na nisu bia no akwakoye na say peer pressure no akodi akire ye say ebinya sika wa ho me piskan tentemfo na wakotum ne momo wa adwuma bia em say beboa
Dr. Wusu Benson eye panyimpa woda so mpahema medical team no ano wa kire apomudemu emmoa bia wayama enaduafo a wonom ewo nsawam maximum prison honomo
Kumasi na mewo ntimi call Kumasi ne duafie
Kumasi ora yere Irene Oseche Mensabonsu owie ye no ne kunu majority leader Oseche Mensabonsu so said de ekeka kro ne de nsawam ne duafie ho no wapomuden atena ye na wo se ye pejam ye mamu so eno so ne Adom TV edi nkomoyi
em se sika o man de hwe prisoners no aduane no sika no and also I think it's less than 2 cities every 1 city 80 pesos no more than they of course the quality of the food a bit may impact on their health and so the health facility more person more upgrading to a district health facility equipment no so any but it means also say I was say it me peja structures no to meet the standard of a real district health facility because it serves as a referral to all prisoners or memunyina they was it me upgrade the health facility no send a referrals we ba between attend to them. The medical officers here are doing extremely well.
Frank Anodom prayer eye mashebedwani a wogire ma won mo wo ensawam adoagiri wono nso edi akire ekosa nto aboyi bia wakire enema bia wo ba beye edi aboa ema ene emema fa ewo ensawam eneduafi
mbehwe meal side no bibio no aduane am kitchenette it doesn't look good into my fat to who say but back to your question man ho no utim say ho very clean na Morocco's back a more of a recreational center at the Mambano. It's my father who said, Ebeshana, Yetimian Boa, my body will be awarded ya Sibia Casadia Mopai Fanhudi. Masha say to one officially, I'm on record, my truck, Mamma Penny.
Nana Machan Kunya, yeah, war my here, Bronubi, a war, Amasaman, Gawet, Mensimu, and Cramante Mumo, so an in your home. Abaya Abako on one at it, Swono. And Patasika be a one and a war wager and Potamu when also to your more Bepem Sabri one Sanka Yano, Womubonyo Sokra, won't be near Adom TV, Edin Comway.
Ombe to me to any in idea, to me to an emono. Send on me government IF 590 don't to me you soon and because of a nuntino, ombe 100 meters from the Densu River. Na omwa ebe affect your mono, send a bear to me, atria omoka. Ya twenya bepem sisembre yente hwe na ne etie bia no asase ne da ho ansa aban ebe faaye enti se wabegye ya asase na wontua ye kade a ene ese ye fa ya asase back ana wo fi se ne anti a wo ba be faaye no ne anti a wo be faaye no wontumi yusu mfa nye de a ene gya ya asase bu mayen enti no yen yedi asase no ahye abrantie bi a e friend Kingsford say onye ho adwuma oye estate developer yedi asase na ama no say onye su adwuma e san say ya twen a sensuo ta pronchenia oji wo ya twen na ban ka hwe nkire ye na asase no si yedi na yeso yete ho adenti na enye say ye fa ya asase nti ye ne ebe sre aban ani say since a champombre so Rollins abetwem Jay Kufu abetwem Atamis abetwem Mahama abetwem Akufo adobre so na yewe yesre aban say asase no ne enti omubegye ye no omuntumi emfa nye eduma anase omuntua ye kade a omunjai yasa
Bayinira no so na Adom TV Badwam Kasia no pay no Madaroma yemfansi ha yedamasi pi say Mojebre tnase na mohwe Badwam ne dwumadi ahodo e wa Adom TV enuanom mienu yi age wo adwai ma mechra Diamond wa ha kwasinsia enso age nadwa na wo ba Kofi Ampedu Priscilla dache ne Osmo ni PRO ne Thomas ene menua be mo hwemani importe facheme waya de yenyina ye ka ho ne MCR ene ye di dwumadi bro kwasisa no nkono ebebo ebo nso dwumadi aka e wo ho enuanom mema mo akwaba
ya Joseph
nuanom mema mo akwaba
ya Joseph ya
bibia boko
ya
de nyame ase so de yakono asade ya ba asumdu amen tiada na sepa enti no ene na ya na ase ya na senu anu no ya na Ghana fo ase
asantimatitu
kumase fo ase
ya de o mase
ya de o mase
so yenwe o ma hene kwabena asantina busua mu
sa
ama wo papa wahena ni monyam sei aban panifo enka ne aban mu panifo ye timba nyina o ma hene se odase beda wase a ensada enti ye de nyina so ho ase ye de nyame so ase se ode ekwa osade aba bedru asumdwem na bibia koye uti uba na abaye ya na
emu de he
uti
kwasi
yes
wakode nya dada ya
okay
se nu nti kra
ma huni sase me nwase ana
sa na le tentia no
okay
le tentia mi twa so me fe
mi
the same thing
so
me anam gina hoi
so akonto de bia tu kwan a ono de ka ho ba
Debi me de ma fa hwe anka ho na yi bia mfrim se me call no an masa abai nyame adom tino akwasi si ha na wonsam ka enti no ye de obi ase ai omo ba ye nyina ya ka se ye bodin a adaje bebo ye nti kwabna na ba nyame adom a ono so beto aso but obi a be ofri bia ba ye da bebre pese omo ba enso bi adwuma nom ne ade nti omo ntimi ama mu nyina na ni somo na mi hire obi a ti mama call online
okay
enti uba online ya adomonline.com samjata na wa page wa stretching and say yado Asempa Studios na we there Sam George writes to Esla on sim registration again enti no bo wura mu a de wo paakye nyina no nso onsa ebetumi aka ewo mu na msasa story ya ye dada baoba politics nso emu a people say Baumia is stingy Suleiman and Brima ni video a wode abano ntimu amuhu se kane ye vice as an research here den ye pepe no ba mu a adomonline.com de sansam no so aba na fei ahanso MP ene no so kasei ora ejapa mesa o say I will oppose the motion for removal of Oriata and also ye de aba ewa ha na nanso anyame adom kanipa bi bontene san ko meyi na free ho no so ehu asem ba adomonline.com so a eno so ewa ha enti wo back director yen hwe na on adomonline no so ye na as a stories no as a stories na ye bia fine enti akwasi say de ewo ho no ye ntoaso
okay babifa daily graphic de bokata enso entoaso use of Ghana card for voting NIAEC system integration on course. Professor Ken Atifa, Executive Secretary Dema National Identification Authority na Ekan say the picture so Ewahanum. I have been honest in fiscal reporting Ken Ofori at Minister of Finance and so Eka ne say Professor Kwesi Boche no more. Yami for pay ekra see. The Herald and so any NIBO signals Ghana card used for 2024 election. Ghana committing economic suicide will delay 2023 budget, says Dr. Mark Esibeyebua. Yes, so also a patch of the Mark and Ofrata say NPPMPs Ninya Butrakra. No more pay American kind ne budget. Finance Ministry runs into 3.8 billion Ghana cedis common fund arrears. JJ Rollins PNDC generation dying as Kwesiboche joins Kojo Chikata, Kofi Awondo, PV Obeng, Ama Benyuado, and others. The Herald. Where do we buy? Yes. Always said the PNDC era no. Okay. Yes, a kwa sir. Amosa.
Because if you are not wo mudi akai wo nyuma bi ana no won be ye de boaye.
Say we call ye no.
PN hwan esa no na ye den.
I say o say omo chichire pi. E ma PNDC omo kwa no.
Na omo anya anamusifo.
Yeah, they say omo from the keda for. Nyina.
Omo to san na nkogu mabundiem.
Say keda ne so akoye nkokrafo nko a.
Okay. Enti me the daily guide no to so na daily guide the say let Oforiata read budget as be boa Bex MP said ye Kwesi edi kan aka wo de obo krata ba konim no Ghana will rise again. Finance Minister Eneka Sasemi say baby Ghana ati ahwe akodu bia no obesa sore ejina ne na asubio enti Ken Oforiata enum nsem no strengthen fight against terrorism and also eye wo mo atutrafo no aya wo mo to sha ma so no and also ehon sensem pani ya wono so kɔ ne krechi pani Kwesi Boche enso foni edaha nyame fa ne kra ensie ye enti judgment for ato Asian 2 others set for December 1 nyame ya adom a ato Asian nasem dada no a wonim no opani ma bosomi de edikan won behia ewo eye court ho na fe baabi emra ne da ne baabi anesem no fa no ehon so odi afa enti Dr. Marcus Beyebo a ene Oforiata nso foni ne da daily guide ni ha wo srama no say wo moma ne kwan mrasebedwafo no na Ken Oforiata making kan budget no na chire de wo ho no na o ma hwede nsunsuan de boreba ebefa enti we guide de nso no me fa chronicle to aso okay okay me the chronicle to aso a Oforiata shut down minority claim insists Parliament approved payment for cathedral na no sem no musi hu nkonya na cathedral de ka ho
yeah Ombo se National Cathedral desu akwa isika de free o my Ghana futu
e de akoshem
abra wanye to median fan free mrashe udwafo
but ni nyina echi no approved
yeah
okay nti chronicle na de bae na o say we will ward off terrorists from mines dapa ena ekasaseme no ye defense minister ena mrekoduka calls for peace at Ahafo mines etina no de esi wa Ahafo a adom kase megide se wate bia hu bia no ena owura mrekoduka chese adwobreo etuo enkochre de echere NLA reconnect with mother authority in Malta and also wasem ewa ha and Akwa admit yes I failed to pay all the 5% revenue into DACF. Well, okay. It's a chronicle quotation or the buy no same John 8:45. But because I speak the truth, you don't believe me. Into chini the and say na me de esansa me ka no krenti monyimini at the corporate into chronicle edisa quotation way buy no ene wa ha no into chronicle de no question pacho. Okay. Me did the one crata nesi. Any fear my Joe online. You
call my Joe online na me football me share dan ye years ade. But na am ngon kakra. Say host nation pa opening. Amoda from a camion de. Na from me kakra na say na ne e de na ye ba be because some da whole team say ya sha se no a be ye na say kwabra gugu form say ya. I say oh nti boy ye be wie de ba yen kas omo ya de nso e wo de e kwama fa so ma hyehyɛ afi world cup no and in fact say ye ka say is the most expensive organized world cup since 1930 and as no go prama so asem no maybe bi omo ama so me bobo na me de me no o ba so me pay investment well kwasi nka wie kura de o ma me nka nkukuo ni wie na wie a de nkukuo ni wom nkukuo ni wom say ha me okay. Because next match be sure de better Senegal ne Netherlands it's me picture but once free money there to the bia udi kan quarter na na to the bi so bia omo host nation no nim bia omo ye omo film assassin de san kamu ye bibi aso no na ref ni kwa na bo omo omo film yeah, you always susuka. But where your history na because me minti bi. Yeah, history. For the first time say host nation and lose the opening game. And at least mon shana vim nemra but all the same na omo vim so osuro yi for supporters no. Na me say e dey na omo tie ene dey na ye hwe because na me ngwa but ba me dey anya ngwa mom because you yes no bibia to me see. Say one hwe a wadwe o say body e body baby na hwe baby fu. Because no support no vim no wom money anje na me say oh yeah because any point nti no omo share omo app no mo say be ya bia e be wie na say aye oh omo ya de Bakwari na de ade anche upe wache di etu ba na Ghana for the yesu film ni say answer dan konkan asase sa ye de entire omochi ye fa nkranse so on say the first one from mom that flat but omo crofo no omo chia up so ho aye yesusu pentem nkasa na afi atem didie ni de akire bia nkranse no kra be mom next match no ye bom perade hu ye bobo ti Ghana for yesu nti imumi anyimre ede na omo de awurade hu ye mobo ni anye nka Ghana ye rebe fi bibia at least ya je world cup holiday bia nke benya no awurade famma ye papa onim de football timi ye me enyan why awurade we fa che gugu obi anam na me enam nya den me enhye won oh ade jesi ke ye be hye de ada so de abasa awurade so be ye enti no shahanum so dia over 2000 Ghanaian fans expected in Qatar to cheer on the Black Stars. 2000 DFA spokesperson e ka say yes mu kwe with vim na mu awo mo ye wo fie ne ye so ye cheer mo up mo amadu kan wo ho no mo nyam adwuma ne ye enti ho asem no we arahosam news mu ye de ebramo yeah ya o yansa se ho manso twenti ukọ ho no mu anana ne nipa mienu a allegedly yabo wontu okun wo mo no ho asem nso na ebo animu hai you are entitled to damages if your tailor fails to sew your Christmas dress on time asembe ya yeah say let me tell you on Samson Ladi or Joy News say odi atare koma entuma koma tailor ni so mpama no ojitu say mame na otwe ba ko me pama wie na otwe ne so na so ko no onye ya wo ho kwan so betimi asama na ma court yes enko mo court sika bia ya gidi ama because wama ebi a ho hye bia wo ye no akachi but
in course of the week say be am 1 week na ofro be a Wednesday say oh maame mesre wada we dey fa best 3 days be come now so jutum dia e ho no untim fa ko sama
okay
ba na man for so bi sa say say the ntoma na kwa yemfa pam krata nka no obi ase
yemfa ayi lawyer ni echi
enti de wo kan ye de ewo Ghana constitution
Ghana mambre nim ye
wow
Ghana
ani ye mre ni ma wo pa
o say enchiwa o si mre bi anya adwuma Ghana
I see
enti we na nya kamafo a
compensation ya be say
o say it depends the material involved you be sure the amount involved you be sure be a ni na ka akoyi a dwumadi odile ontino e cost na court na find average of all these costs
any wa ha yenya o de pamni bia
o setne betimi affect you
ko bia na mesi miti no boko benkum ubo wie ye no agbako nifa omo so he
ebi etire betimi
omo so mra be
any wa hwe be chi omo nyina me de kwa akodi obi ho be 3 months
I see
de bi omo excuse oh ye di be say ye ti check sa
e say who dey no communicate
why me na me frɛ no me na me ho an ma frɛ say me kaya na ma frɛ no ma me sa you know formula asa mate abre me ho ama bre no me gya akire di obi de akura de afe ne fani
oh yeah
and de am say me jai me de ache because I be yira me akura me nkai material no mpo nti ene emre mu miem en ese mu mie hu so na anya sa de pamfo de nya ba akokura na school reunion no so baso 26
okay
nti kwasi school no he
Greater Mass Amania Paul Senior High School.
Oh okay and esa moba
yes
esa moba na mba chia up na ja Gary Sokins
Senior High School
any ade
Amas get for another room your bus is almost 3
more bus is 3 oh
yes almost 3
okay
yes
any
almost
just ni no fija kasa no enti no any nsama hudo bi kwasi yanka my time with Anas and also asem ai mi school yi ombeba ai konongo duma senior high school ombeba omo ya de ombeba bibia mu ya de empacho kan de bibia mu fie ni agro ai etia no economic hardship affect offering eno Adom news no mote mampani mahama koho jumedie bi 175th asori bi no ko kan say we do ti asori ho no mu ai yipi ho yeso ti asori ho no mu anti omo famra ye bo 2000 say dipa 2 penalty me sorry ye bo ne antime massa de kan net ne ye kan 2 cedi dem say the whole church enti ahoche na affect offerings enti ho asem no enti no na some way so ye me de preterm birth is not spiritual
okay
it is a medical condition ai say we ye mano na wanya abosom nkro ne ye wo omo a hu omo anya nimtia ebi mu sha sabi asakotere ketekete o ebi weigh 0.78 nti imagine akro weigh 0.78 but so hwe ne ye na ye kangaroo mother can with de omo boy anim na hwe ne kama akwa nkro wonyini be ye kese ma ne ye nwanwa nti abatan ensewonum ekununum a ye yirenum awo na ye nuaman mu awo enkra wanu wo mo 9 months a muhu wo mo say ye abosomba ye mpewade nipa no akofa na be no da bi nya sa abre na wo so kan samete sa ne mu hye sa obatan ni nkran na support no na wo hwe ne ye na utie advice a adokotafo nurse fo de ma sa akra no benyini abeye otitio nti medical officer na futu ode ma ye no wo mo nye spiritual ya wo mu nsem bi anti yenhwe ne yenye ne sa menuanom bibi ne ho biem de a yemfansie
ye di sinem se metrolens so de by say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and others mourn with Omahine Kwabena Sante.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying the kind aka wabo.
Sir.
Omaba so that enti. If ye
yo
ye wi nse de ne.
Yemfansi ye da obi ase ye nwie afa ne ye bi adwumade no ano ye won hyehyɛ wo ho afisam pensempensemu agodie mu nsam ahosepenso ebeba ene ye adwumade ahodo e wa Adom TV wa wo hwɛ ye Facebook nyame show ye kwaba na afia agodie mu nsam ato aso.
Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwantwumadi so dey we can see on sempa sakena no penso ja medin de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back coupe the only nomenclature professors green in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi Kunya Econo Quantum Coding Small Do Esa Kenano Penso Ewa Kana Gudim Ejao Shanusman Senyuma Kunya Miensa 1x bet. I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa bet the in terms summer way change so can before and I didn't before trying to kuma be I didn't kuma san manum catch the bush for now for your ma offer for nananum on plan for na say 1x bet about a more financial freedom financial liberation but more than that sound submitting account 1x bet no bet with money that you can afford to lose sika era enye ya na any ditwa bet nya sadia bet diwa wadwene betia bomutim betia sa hyehyɛ anything so ya na wa hyɛ no so de man ba we nyina achi no na op bet dia man nye 1x bet omu ta akyire pa na de ne anɔpɛ so komo no eba Jeffers health mixture so atua sa ba ko herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops in them sabetia ka Jeffers so infections related to gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so deep a do eboa prapro hara no mre bo ma atimi de nkyine o satimi ka Jeffers no so ebeboa ema niema atoto ye e de ma pomodon sem Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel through a pampas so be pimo na se no ya odi pain ana etetewa itu ase yi free ho na bo ma niema etia kwedema ashaman my market enye na ho afi ukoteman so sabetia ka bubetia fe Sedimo gel and roll-on from pain for se utu bi akoton ana se utu na de ye ho no e 0208219129 na afi one Sedimo gel and roll-on yehwetwe nkomo yehwemu a ema niema etia nkoyi emfama yenkom after 12 years of air questions criticisms na afi so air conjectures no wodo wani chirema the FIFA World Cup Qatar final no wotimi sampa ahyase anesa enu a ana sanche so creative center from wotimi sampa first game no wohwemu na a beautiful opening ceremony timi santo dwa na ohwani epiem ewenura na ese enika na ese ne epiem edema Qatar ne Ecuador akinsikese no so timi santo dwa opening game timi sampa so timi sampa first time near World Cup opening game host country a ojinemu no wadi ntwa hwese ne Messi koso and performance no na nheda enya ni kanyam adoma ye the records and statistics no of the World Cup no still ebetia seja ba hye no so say ne matches no 8 fans was uninterrupted England beton Sunday for Iran 1 p.m. a good big game and after Senegal and Netherlands and also a game to watch our hwese ne Messi koso Senegal Africa na any di omachi ehwe nim se sen na nema besiako e di amom 4 p.m. group A game and also ebetia sabaso na for United States of America omni Wales e de bebo so 7 p.m. and asakins kese ne betia sa to dwa no so a good big game and also ebetia sabaso still amount for eguso ehwe nim se ombehu Ghana enchebia e wasana nema esi koso ba hye no so mam se Ghana begina mesi aka yeso your opening game e bebo no ye ne Portugal for and the Akins ne betia sapem so Portugal onu ene sub-Sahara African country bi en share ya wedi ntweda e woni dwumadi a odim tia na wahye no so akai e de amame e dwumadi a egusu dimu afi yenko World Cup minute na Ecuador captain ne forward and the ene Enna Valencia ono so de nkomo kakra samba enemu no as man of the match our kinskese no so itwensa to the opening game of the FIFA 2022 World Cup itwensa to general e Qatar o the first half breeze e wo South Americans stroll to victory against a host nation Qatar when Nisha and also 18 p.m.
Di kane baso wabra Qatar omo ne host no to nsade frɛ Ecuador papa ogina kanse no finfine to ayerem no e hye na ben ne Qatar fu etri anye yie ena Ecuador fo no pomo e kamionu ye omo ntumi ante nipa be sha go pama no so ma no dodo na ye Qatar fo ano mo hwɛ ne mu esanye bia no se ne abakwasam ne tie no obi a we host World Cup no bibia enya de a wodi ncho e wa kanse di kan bia mu na so abranti osi akan de ma fa ne bachi e wo Turkey no Ina Valencia entena mienu a woto ye no eno an ekrakra mu a ye de akanse ne ba wie no Qatar yi ati ni su eno anso ha esan modern a obo na akanse di kan nti Ina Valencia empenifo pagya ne nsa so ne abrante a wodi agropa eno nti de kosi bonu be ka no man of the match no Ecuador sahini ono no mode man na ne manfo apogye ni so
enti na se ne pm World Cup minute mu eno no hye no so mam say Azar Paint since 1921 the Azar Paint by manfo dodo na enka na kom dia kado na kada ho na nei wo mo esu Azar Paint quality paint from Azar Group since 1921 9 bo modern da Azar Paint so na echesa on set me kebe betia boa Valvoline trusted engine oil ana medi one dance dia mam sel kan enkofa kubanwa fam munye sa engine betia sentem ope oil betia samboma o kan engine no emutia sanda ho na eyi fin nkekawa bi afim na boa matia sante apodia Valvoline trusted engine oil ana medi one dance dia mam modern da so do ni betia sa chirem o hwema omo flagship shop no e wo Tesano opposite Telecom University na for main campus so adjacent CBG Bank no sabetia com na afọ ni omadi nsa so aboso kan shops nso ho na afọ omo opposite GN Bank nso onsabetia kom takwade nso odi wani kire kokompe number 2 a onsabetia ka Valvoline trusted engine oil onso beboa amaniama etia tutu yidema obetia frɛ Valvoline for 0201289987 na ne Valvoline original trusted engine oil empanyfo adwetwen komo show max won so tachiri pa omna eboa amaniama etia kwemsewa opeso hwe World Cup matches ni na dia uko showmax.com ewo app no so ebetian sambo a matches no ohwe na at a very little fee utie kusika kuma bi na ohwe matches ni na ewo showmax nti uko a no ahwe showmax.com na for ne mpemfo etin sedins so omna etachira boa ema ye de World Cup minute nkomo no enso etin jaw na mo hye no so mam se Blaster squad no etin sambe pm ewo kata na mo kopie mo kata we eye ahosesi di kan a wo mo ehye ensa na nyame adoma wo ne Portugal for the same akwehye so na players anything ka team of the national team no wo mo ekono na wo mo hye woven fugu amanfo se enye batakari fugu ana wo mo hye ne say kama out team sampa kire the rich culture heritage of Ghana isan say na fugu no kente de da no ne ho kone about team sampa na nya asem keto akra lot of the international media capture Blasters na wo mo touch down e wakata na komo no ensu bi e kire ni
Woma kwakoduru kata dada ahoboa no guso ya mo twen se akanse edi kan e woda ya wo no group H omne Portugal ade bepem so na mo bia hu Black Stars e modimbo na so yentwa ye ho enkonkohwe wabra mo free Abu Dhabi e be pie mo Doha no ano kra na tisen oma hu mfasuo entade omo hyeye ene anigye ya chitafo ndi be hia wo mo no Black Stars mrante ne mpanimfo nyina nkofo boje wo mo so a na nya agro e wo Doha we mu hyangina bia ho
omo triumphant entry into Qatar and our na nema Asia course no match fugun kama our team sampa amafo efi achiche ne bench obi ani atfiansa age Blasters so me no ka say so Portugal fo so e wo camp o me ahu sese de denden pa na Blasters eguso agenchia e wo Qatar hye so hye no so ma me say enkomo no eguso e koso na Blasters kopiem e wo camp a omo e wo amamere initiation bi o mo atfiansa ye na early camp a ne atfiansa pm say press na wo mo hye samamu na afomu wi a na faman for dia sa etwensa tentam so bia ebetwa kanko na wabesabi Abdul Salis asan nenya asem ketwa kama so a eni o makeka e baya bepem medical team no so emomu na so dia sa ne bi na bonia koma hwese na camp ai de so baby Ghana players no anana omudi keche kakra no so me be bro akiri wrestling mercy cause I'm producer no enemy of progress was nkomo emu intino ye de be see but as of folk enra so they can say back to happen so but omo former coach Samuel Bodu enso ka 4 coaches omo young coaches Ghana Football Association phone paying 4.2 so omo ka blasters on enko Francis boot ni nko ne ba former players no kuzi say omo so between World Cup experience na ono so edu no so was anchiche mu Samuel Bodu formerly of Mediama Sporting Club and then formerly of Accra Folk omo coach no or can 4 coaches and paying for started from so omo kan ko attachment of blasters of Ghana camp and ra whereas na nema isi koso no so na sa to fem boko timsampa ompanyum gidigidi boko na konya fem fama otimsenka obefam but yenkom Ghana Premier League na case ni 8 years out of fem bio RTU for chekotoko etwa kotoko 2-1 bisi sabere obi ankasa wo ho kuma idi when they say who from come fa 2-1 RTU o siri manyasem ketwa afi hazo fofo enso ni football club 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the score was barren a 2-2 and it went PM I was asking Casey to answer to join him into highlights in Kaka.
Asmas throw in. Opportunity and the clinical finish from George and Ferge. The Porcupines in the lead at the Aliu Mama Stadium. And Ferge popping up and scoring an excellent goal for the Porcupine Warrior. The defending, the header from Hafiz Adams presented an opportunity for RTU seen a lot of the ball and plays so well. The nutmegs, Nicolas Mensah Bagna to Danko Bedu. This could be the equalizer. And Issa Kuta brings the Tamale Aliu Mama Sports Stadium alive. Just fill the stadium. Kuka again, but this time cleverly done by Mubarak Yusuf. He gives away possession. Here is the Bagna, and RTU have jumped into the lead from a goal down. They are 2-1 up. RTU 2, Kotoko 1. David Bagna. Great fighting spirit, and the lead by 2-1 after goal.
Yeah, inti nearby so no wrestling ma Asia course no dia RT2 Kotoko 1 RT classic goals nkwa ana omo na Ghana Premier League dia wrestling Strand City a da Kotoko belusu no na anwene sema has da has belusu no na anwene sema Kotoko je se wonti ase Ghana Premier format na omo dey board but no match se baus ni Bechem United 3 nso Taman 0 na fe Samates 1 Karela 0 Brekum Chelsea 1 na fe Great Olympic 0 Kumasi Kemfasa 2 Accra Lions in Kranjata 1 afi Kimfaisa 2 and afi Accra Lions 1 and Mediama Sporting Club 1 Kutukuya 0 Legon City 0 and afi Gold Stars 1 Tamale City 2 Aduana Stars 1 we a shocking results on kwa and then right 18 PM Ghana Premier League nim nti the Premier League next year afi World Cup ne ba league ne betian sato so ewo December bosume no e kona wiye nim but say the Premier League no esi hanumansa nti we so na megina na media nenso nkomo no atiensi hye no so mam se eye 1xbet o madama o me touch de boy na no penso de nkomo no bae na fe Jeffas Health Limited o me Jeffas Eduta hwe no ana e boy chino na fe Sedimo Gel and Roll-On your ultimate pain relieving gel ya odi pain fewer pampas so be pimo na se tu ase na boa emaniama 18 kwedi mo madama o me touch de boy na no penso de nkomo esa kan no etimi jaw me de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up and I'm generally of course evidence based presentation etimi se jaw Mr. Anwe share was Sempa 94.7 FM na Adom 106.3 FM. The live commentaries no esan to also Eddie Abro uninterrupted or World Cup meeting. So Yana Wabantem Sebia or Sabitu Kanite within the Prof Iki wala Sagudi Kachi. Masoreso.
3, 2, 1 and show my plies.
Yes, right.
Shoma Plus launch no and Yasha see no. And Shoma Plus medias meeting the sister Sandy be a guy. Now Shoma Plus you can't dan. favorite contestant now Omaba and Shoma all this while season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4. Okay, when the 5th one yakomu in album Titans Eshishia because you heard Clash of the Titans or Borrow no Borrow. Yes, Magania Mageshia and now who Amaga who's inside and Shoma and Stroma Adom TV. Quick one, introduce yourself, Body.
Pachamidin the truth before.
That's right.
Gamado so much.
That's right.
The double my hustle, now I'm giving my testimony. I'm killing a bit and I'm giving them kids. Oh,
Victor Chum. That's right.
Mommy, yo, yo, yo. Mini MSC Manta, Sanamina grew up on team. Missing me your papa, Sanama Papa Frontier.
Renal Abwaja, but my stage name is Tayo.
Hey. Your name is
Daniel Entry, aka Donnie. Some Zeke. Super.
Yeah, you.
Precious Imbu.
Okay.
Grace
Yes, you would do bang, yes, you may bounce. Me don't see me never show my yes, you would do bang, yes, you may bounce.
The way Adom TV for Adom FM, my organizing this program is big. Yeah, I mean, sure, be your baby. Yeah, now me say me righteous, around righteous, Charlie. Way too much, me respect you enough. Nyamin kaya hono mo yin na hoba. And Stroma, yes, right?
Yeah. What's this and down? And I know when you put a bit, who was see your point? As water, makes your baby one bram, you call baby.
Together we are, and Shoma last lunch, you know, and you're the dusty. Where they are twacho. Me pacho, your first be and Shoma Plus judge, you know. First thing about you, me there.
Why am I make a judge?
You can't argument for first be and Shoma Plus.
And not the first question. And then the first question, why am I make a judge? Because in Shoma Plus, the NHS is an assembly of Oma, Omechemuna, Yadi Omunines, and Banti. Now I am a dinka.
I'll bet now, so I Jumane corner, ya judge Omunary and Pacho at the same.
A bedding because said the medical kind Omu Enini, Omo upgrading, and Omu Nino, a monum to only Omu performances, no, a dance. Say, no, almost dear. And ye must judge or memes a muse, and judge almost on me and penny for. And I'm sure almost on me and more fraffin or moba. And adding in the too many.
Mommy, Pacho the only was for 4 good years. This particular one, one who from 13 was saying home say then ask the summer.
Oh, my mature. Yeah, because so sure almost singing stage performance. So to me, say first and I feel on my back. No, we don't matter. And honestly speaking, no. My voices nso to mu say because na chroma training omuntu no come afa kwa akwadworo to mo atunu na ma me akasa mtamentumi antena se and I say me hu sister aka odwuma yen ka betan ma ka me because ayedene oma bomrewa ne nkokrafo ne be jaaje omo tena ndikan no me dem jaaje omo sen nkokra ne mbrewafo if say oma macho and I always say Adom TV na me nhira na chroma I salute because why adwuma pa
say 10 do be dan atoto
sister is it den 10 no and got 20 because the customer you good.
But I say
we have a director about boss who decides what that's right. Okay, maybe I have to do me for a match. So are you ready? You be a chimia famila. You be a humia famila. You be a chimia famila. You be a humia famila. You be a chimia famila. You be a humia famila. You be a chimia famila. You be a humia famila. Why sigh? Why sigh? I think say instrument there. Bibi anywhere change Roma. Instrument obroni ba the bechi man was a star and as a stars. It instrument there. We got say adibi instrument at you change that more change gold. And then maybe how many RGB break.
Yes, ya wo efisem so enesu nyame de achen 21st November bosume sene na ye tobronya niema no na ye sase nti udidi no na wo dwen fe no so ho because den ya ebeba ene ye ba bedi nkomo enkomodie no se sese ahokyere no aba no wanhwe ya wanye sresrefo ana akosa ho akonfo enum mienu bia nso ni honom a ebebo abrabo no nti krachi de ne de ato yanimu a sofodan nya wa haidie na asem no so fasa asem no ho de krache menye ne se yebedi yankomo ni pawie na se suppose ahoma na ade koso ho akonfo a wapa baabi de ato na afen so so waye sresrefo a na ase waye kafo a ka twa ho ahia afi ubenya plan B efise sofodan asem na meka no owa ha so problem no yebehwe ne asolve ebi nso a obi asem etumi yesafo bi obi punoti na won so tebi a wona mu ano no na bia na wasem na yensan kan wa ha na me for happy birthday ye Emma Belinda Ekuya Ejubi wo obuase tutuka na Winifred Abuajewa a wo ahafogo so e wo CID department semen kancho say happy belated birthday to you we fimi ankasa me teacher Samia Sare madam CID defan so etimi nua ba me gede se won saka o birthday no Belinda Ekuya tutu Ekuya Ejubi nti obi bia nso a wadi wa woda dada happy belated birthday to you say neso na ye wa woda na erade na mo a wochecha woda mu nsira no ma wonsan wo honko onfa wode emro eti maka ne say wie no na ope HD plus decoder ni bi na ma o TV hwe no timato bia ma ho wankwa nkofa fichire ho anko chinchimpo da bi sese abefo nti yenye ne sabio na afen so the big chef Jumade no gusu koso wo Joy Prime ti aya ahwebi emofra no ebo modern pa baby a wanye dui na wonim se de enchire ne yesusu de gu nkwanim na wonsu ohia no kra asehye de a aya hia mofra no wo Joy Prime ho na ombe yo teacher ebe wi ase no behu ni nyina bi eye na fei me san kancho se Piwak natural health for the 3P garlic mixture beja so a sa 3P garlic mixture no ho wo de fa gidie ni adanse a wate afa garlic nko aho ne pe binom na obehu se abase eba beye onipadua no homework bia ewom na watumi adon ho afre yare wan ketenkete ne akese nyina eho for 0201 000 021 na wonsa entumi enkebi St Andrew College of Health say botaye no ne daache de opese wo ye ne de ene senka obeye adwuma obaabi apomudefo ye adwuma
nanso e bia EMS na ani amoa enti wo hu ba bia wo de otifa wo mo biebie wa pono wato ho beje wo na wo de wafa ntitiem na san de so ade hu na tumi abem admission no go so cost ntim for 0244 696911 wo mo ebeje wo amabotaye no etumi abem ye ka franco asem a na ye twa no tiawa fi se wa ton ne mapa e de no kredi abata ho ama ne nkura batam tira na eteretere eti bibia wo hia fa phone condition ene TV ho no de ya branding no franco free 0246 422 na wonsa entumi kabi nyame aye wadom na se dan no drum oso a DBS for ene sesa wode dan no moso no hye wonsa efi se emfa ho se jensen ne ye papa no wosa wo colors a bia wo dan ne si no ebema dan na ye fepa yi wo mu na wosa nimde no enti se dan no so bo no drum oso de a na wo free DBS for 0543 286 637 womo ebejo so Grace Gift Herbal Clinic say oniska krabra fi se nyame de makwa na o se yemfa nchekwa eti ayasabia na ne din se wo ye chinejefo so pa wo de ekọ na abaka kwoto Dr. Grace wono beto nchi age wajapade kase bi na sa yare no eni so atonwan 0244 126 123 afei sanumeko ya daromenti ye wakwanya se de enkoye ewo ye fiefie mu a akwakoye corrections any homework no ye ba beye na sofoda mpacho machi
ya remember there
ayana me hu se ya na mkoma atomeyam ansa ne ahye ye nkomo na se fi se minim se nto se ebewie no eye de ya de ne de osusu se ya de so ate se no obahye nyame na mo so be sia na boa
Adom
medase se de oyi ano no mani age ho Adom mama agi ho ye
ebe Adom no we
mechia no pa mechia mama agi mesro mama nkenkan krachi asemi kakra mawo na afi yemfa abanfrim ne yemfa ntutu ye hofo enie o say life in the last 3 months has dealt me a lot of blows. First, it was my landlord saying he has increased my rent to 700 cedis from 500 cedis. Then my wife had to undergo emergency surgery for our second child, and consequently, my car engaged in an accident. The painful part is that my insurance is third party, and that's just paltry amount is what I am expecting from the insurance company. Now I owe virtually everyone, and I don't know who to go to again and what to do. Sometimes I even contemplate suicide, but for my young wife and 2 little children, I am sinking from my much debt I owed, and I'm very confused. I don't even seem to know what tomorrow holds, and it's driving me crazy. Please, your advice. Please, your advice, dear. So for Dan, please, your advice.
It's a good challenge. And a bad challenge, but it's a good challenge. Amine, Kwabra Sante, with the Yamoyako. There's an baby. So penny pan you used to have to be there. Oh, the executive member I had to. And also yeah. Do you don't find me? And also yeah. Yeah, I say yes, you No more Matthias. And that's my baby sitting birthday. Oh, okay. A special daughter. The friend and anima. I see. On the Ghana, but okay. It's your Bagana. Okay. The Oba holidays. Happy birthday. Now, this challenge here, Akosi, a challenge here, very genuine. Akosi we few bebre musisi. It's answer ni nim say Ghana sikasem Akosi. Once matra efide so akase onipa bia. Mbe chubuka chose wa anya ntutua ma osikasem a. Se ba ne se bosomi miensa. Ni entua wo ka we kwa de etua ne kan duri ye. What would they would see a baby because we jacket ya. Say, Ulusu, a Jumana, se bosume me and son, untimi show one. That is our problem.
Make I say me, Nasa semi so utai catch a fear chassis.
Yes,
make I pa say, where Juma we are not sure. Now, bosume me and Santa moon to me show one. na chese wabra bono so say na chia
wabra bono ehu ntuwe kwa do no de oye na nkoni adwuma so e nkoba ne de enti sikasem ho no ye ya ntotoye ma sikasem de bia me kasa fa ntotoye obi asika nso de di
debi
ntu wo de sa adwene se misika nso me de nti de bia obema na kwa sika ye friend currency.
Okay, makaya no.
Yes, so. It's not money, it's currency, current.
Okay.
Today be a flow. Intima a current intima nya bribi ma. It because we do sika bia no for bit for investment, for bit for savings. And then obi odin sika to for investment bia so your treasury bill. Treasury bill is about 30.5%. Inti anya bia anka usika no boten no
ebia beka
ho the value of the money na kwaso kwa na wo dey and perform bebele sa it's an investment mo bibi se savings kwa na ye anka bia anka oyiri ade asi ya na ka asi wunya bibi education no se wuntimi nya ni na akra obetimi nya bibi ebia 40 50 60% betimi so baby but akoye se bibi sia na woni bibia no na yesa akoye se ewiase na onam na wo magic nko na de nam ese bibi ena bibi bo maame embo
debi e hono ye kio na se wiase aye nam no titru ye galamse no se na ye kwa ebenya otuna kwa ebenya enti wo ana ye ya adwen se bibi be bo mama ye no ye mobrasa enyi embo because esa no abraba kwa betting. Okay. We dey chacha na auto. Chacha so no to me di wo mo to me ni no.
And after so the worst thing is I say betting when the 18 years enye be sense it becomes a habit. You become addicted. It is a wouldn't until suban sa suban no so na beka ho.
Okay.
Do the bibia ba wo spend it. Bibia ba wo spend it. Bibia ba wo spend it. Ye mobrasa. Inti yenye ne sa we ni de na edui. Ye wa ano ne pomasibre ema no.
Okay.
Onipa bia sa wo challenger o hawa. Jitum se mo hawa.
Okay.
First, ade bia koso bia say sikasem say apomodin say ya waresem. First, jitum say etisa. More problem. Men fan ko shobi.
Okay. Blame game.
Aha. Na aban no enu adwuma. We sa pe untimi solve. But ujitum say me wo how. Then the next thing I say we say or how now wo ninti no as say ufi ase adwene differently.
Okay.
Sabre wom eso bia adwene differently.
Wo kwan ben so.
Yes. Here. On say sisi an or how na ba. Or how na yan kwan for so yo wa de na this how na ba.
Okay.
This what sound that no mu a unya results for bia. Into obi bia don't expect to do the old things that you do and get a new result. It doesn't happen.
No ho na so for that to the bin so a obi wo ho a o save obra no na ni da ho ye hyehyɛ na so ade chie bi tumi ba ma bibi bebɔ mu ma de wodi mfie dodo bia wo bia no na sɛ ɛya ye job die ne bi wahu ɛba ne sa ɛno so
nti sɛ ɛba ne sa ebi fan sɛ ɛba ne sa sɛ atome kura no a first admit you have a problem.
Okay.
Now make us say think differently. Said you nipa dwene wona kuma mu sa no te. You are a product of what you think. Ade ba ko ha Ghana sisi ani. Kroma ye hye. Kroma ye din. Sika mpedede. Yama na ye language. Change your language.
Okay.
Yama abamubuo abasamtuo ani nkugo samo hye nso dodo. Change what you say. Abantia no na braba na mawie or say otrini ni hwiase 7 times or say 7 times made. Catch won say me sorry.
Okay.
O catch won say wo sorry a the rewiring of your thinking nya esesa. Nti o kind that's what some say. Shampato ni akoso nyane na Ghana foka. Ghana be you. Ghana be yi. Me, I believe in Ghana.
Okay.
So be a Ghana story. I believe in Ghana story. I didn't tell man be brebre mo Ghana.
Bibi wa ha.
Bibi wa ha. Nti ase ya just o how na ba. Onipa bi o how ba eboa ma wo ye ni papa.
Sao.
Yes.
Depending on say ni obehu how no aba no.
Thinking. Nti onipa bi ani akoso abrante no. Ni akoso on fear sense sana adwen.
Okay.
Say metumi ayo thinking. Metimi afrim thinking and that's all thinking on fair no chassis now ofri hwa the next thing I saw you say maximize your interest.
Okay. Can you try my NTS?
O modern Bobby, a Bobby, a this Cabrano. Trem,
Yabika
home. Ya quadra.
Okay.
Yadiha, na you ferry.
Yo.
You send him money free when you so. Now fair approaching. Se see a niaba na heska. And today no bet me I am what many ska can scan. You do it. And kwada no more we are better for my trauma than when you ska. Trauma than energy ska.
Okay.
Men can say where they no. Me. E bana me adwuma na miniska. Na as I say me kwa adwuma. But man say about tie dress this because we are auditors.
Okay.
Na me kwa do pa adwuma na skaka me sure me calculation me sika na me fa card no a. Enso adwuma bi pick up eso ko ba bia mo no. Me yi me tie no. Ma trap pick up na chi.
Okay.
Ma ko do adwuma na me tie na bo.
I see.
Enkume.
And Saudi
no
anya ohwe nemo me ma otimi kwa adwuma
yes
enya sika
sisa ho tebia no oh say mre Daniel also done no maximize your interest onipe bia wo modimbo bia nya bedi amount it is how modimbo na woman abrantian on bisa no say diem bia na metimi aya account also so abobosia menesi
sa
eni kwasa ka abobosia ede na betimai
dinka beginning no kro ball kakra no kese ope bibi foforo ya ode tua no na ode kɔ nanim
sa it is anka wo hwe fom kwa na wo hwe fom tu wo hwe fom finfin it is a area ho no se me area ho na meti se office na mo bisa ho se ede na nipa ehia nipa hia mo awo sa ne ho yama wom obenya osika men ko titi se bibia ese metu kwanko dabi
se jetire de wo ansa
jetire for wadwene ye adwuma
okay
wodi wadwene ye adwuma because obibia solve problem bia no nyeska
okay
obibia solve problem say water problem o area ho nsuo di ho a bomodi ana kope ba bi ye stand pipe ana say ye efese tanker nsuo begum buma nkrofo fa bobo ya da buma nkrofo fa ko supply mo obenya osika
okay
nti anopa bia wo supply nsuo dada ewiabo enkofo hia nsuo wode enkofo hia bottle water wonu say area community enkofo bottle water patro pe o ka akra bi ka na wode nam na wode edi ye fence ase no maka na nya business me my car her business and I'm my wife for the business
okay
it's not only for driving it's for business
enya fancy
no
say me wo car
no
botaye
business for nyama bi go fence car no to fansio bottle water for gum for office obi tobi we tobi every week be a supply am obenya sika men fan say ketwa it is something that is contributing to your income wo fia say wo yesa apena adwene foforo bi so ba obibi ho adwene foforo bi so ba obibi ho adwene foforo bi so ba ntimo say afei wonya bi kakra fia wo de soso a kanena nka menya nka ho aba be kam sika
okay
maximize your interest. There also be adebia like your passion. What drives Diamond is passion. Ade drive up your passion. It then na bet me do passion akose.
Okay.
It would do passion akose ya obey more relevant on the market.
Obia so will be.
Yes. Into we kasa passion adebia when ni je ho ye we ye no ni je ho.
Oya on tebre.
Yes, at adebia wo bia na ska. Passion is money. Me pacho Cristiano Ronaldo only about to say Lionel Messi. But who's catching Lionel Messi?
Because
passion.
Okay.
Or the modern more or the shantade or the way or the way or the cook class no year or the mud was in show or yes and then see I call work happy only Lionel Messi advert.
Okay.
Okay. Into those people who have money, they are getting it more. And I say, well, the money you must gather than there be who will be. Yes, I know how to speak. So I must lift up my passion of speaking to intelligible speaking.
Okay.
It had be a way be an answer upejam. Oh, I had any puffy say, so be this kakese be mame as my ye because some of this kind of brow. No only foundation abɛhyɛ no
no kre
de bia meka sɛ obi and the capacity 100,000 Ghana cedis. The capacity 9,000 Ghana cedis. Woman 10 cedis, obe grown to 100,000.
No cre.
No be and the capacity 8,000, woman 100,000. Obe reduce na 1,000.
Me no ya adwen. Enti no besi abonu se o se wa bo asi brother. Me ho na wo ba na asofo da ho na ye next. E de na oni mu ye. But ani ma me ensa. O se yenyi akwadworo. Na yenyi ferie. O ka ba ko kan ho.
Ya akwadworo. E de ferie, eni nipa nim so ifiri o.
Okay.
Bi bia no ntimi nye.
Okay. Enti na sami kura no me nipa be ka se nipa won say ukọ baabi asofo da won say ukọ baabi a emema ton aduane aya na ahum kapa mema gina aduane ho ton.
Yes.
Ya na ya ahum kapa na ye ton so e na ukọ baabi nso a oba so eye de e bi a bema na eye te say bi a oba e bi o ye sprayer adwuma bu ne so. Enti anopai no say bi a kracha de wasem bae no me gidi say wasem no e bi tete saa won krofo bebre fiefiem. Enti se de okọ ne ho besi abo no wanya nkotu entu ntimi nkobi wo aba no so ne nkola ne so wo option na eba ye ne se me ho akọfo na so aya na de mani ato nkola ne na wote we kura na abo besi akomukumu na ne wo se wuja oba ne nkola ya na mko ya na mu bae enti mpacho eba ye trimu se ye ho kire ye dododo enti ye wu a aya ye fa ye ni to den ni ye nwe den
se ba na se wadwin sa aba sa adwin about kai se enkwa nyame de ma na ya chede.
Okay.
So ubusa enkwa de nim tia nyame betua oka.
I see. Enti uji won kwafi nsem apart from say emra no be di no.
O se emra kwafi.
O se bunyame anim tia.
Yes, nyame betua oka.
Oh, okay.
Because ode enkwa ne chew.
I see.
Obi a chewa de wa mu a obetua oka. Enti enya no kra na ese ye thinking. Ye nhwe se enidaso nyansan.
Okay.
Enidaso no ensasa. On say enema bebre pacho oyusuka o ana ofa je uba.
Okay.
Opu adwuma fa ye adwuma nwumre. Bibia binema bebre me to se sie. Me ma bibia nchichiri mi. Metumi afototo. Me ma bibia I don't live my life for somebody. For myself.
Sure.
Metumi fa toto.
Okay.
And say him free mo.
There be.
Your cham to me fine.
Okay.
Because me say be example mo say enema Daniel also dane ho. Enye sa na be ye britia. It is kan ka office say we we jai man ko form. Ade ba ko a onipa bia say crisis ba reduce your expenditure.
Jo.
Let change your lifestyle.
Okay.
Who reduce your expenditure no change your lifestyle. Communicate that to your family. Mabusu antia say se ya ne de esi esisem aduane aye di ne kan ne awenam be di kosua.
Okay.
Nti ye di kosua ni beans no ne atis kasam no so. Nti ebra wo reduce income, wo reduce your expenditure, now we maximize your interest. Maximize your interest. Make sure obi bia de betimi aboa wo. Ama wetimi ayeye. Hwe se wo ne di kan no wo no embu ho abomufia ema abombu hye so.
Okay.
Kansem papa.
Ema wo.
Number 2. Hwe wo modem mo a wo ani ahode a wo na ma ahode so manfa so ema na fa ye bibi. Nti wo ya ebetimi aboa wo. 3. Ade bia wani gi wo biafo ahode ni kom.
Okay.
Na bomode ase obeya ade soso a nipa eso be manfa so ama nipa.
Okay.
Nipa hianti de bia no mo ba wo che. Afei ne to so nan bomode ase wo income anase wo expenditure no obema be kofom. Emre dani a wo so da no ho kakra. Number 5. Bibia diska breyen enye edwadie nko a wodi.
Okay.
Nemu ayonkofa wo.
Eno so wo.
Ayonkofa wo no boa wo ma utimi enye ska. Nti obu anadwen ne se menyeska no menyeska. Obi ode sa adwen nanti bia onyeska. Omo menyeska nyinara de mo menyeska eye niema be 7 1 na ni so ade hu no wo. 2 nyame ota na chi. 3 ayonkofa bia wa building. Once na se ukwa yi a minim se wa wachi a eyi ukwa yi a once mpanyifo bu anom se omutebu omo nkwa yi eyi na sagasa omo se omutebu no wai enchen no mo anu mo nsa no mo adi omo nkomo ho no mo bo mo nso a
okay
dia na omo ye ka ho business bia no ho na discuss
okay
oh that na se makofata as bia ba oh that's makofata na say oh we was in hotel we say kwai was in hotel I didn't come wasem to see ah
adwuma hyase o wa no
it when they sit down office omo de omo esi omo business it yonko a wo no Embuna nimtie sense yonko yeska.
I see.
Yes, many abrante bi kasai. Na me ndi kasai no me na me kasa asemi o pastor. Aso okay no crew. No you complimentary card bi chem. O pastor, that complimentary card we mum $200,000. Yes.
Yonko
no. Card no be the man.
Okay.
O si me nko hu obi sa onipa ko na mko hu. E mo $200,000. Me pacho, Minister Ben Emma will show you so. Do you have their card?
As a bisa.
You had it. Whether prospective government there, so many choma, why your one brobi and who be that? Because you need to make your leverage. And that's how say bibi. Men say bibi and feel no. Who what they be away and what the befa?
Okay.
Okay. Simple. First say diamond end him send address. Me paid my money me join my. Me mo deco.
Okay.
Anna.
Make a case see near a bear fair.
Because you okay come on for see him. Sana do be them so be see him.
Okay.
Did you say ye? Boss, we dey see an office most stand up for me. Into obey 5. The fee and as an office are wouldn't scabby.
Baby.
It the one and it would be here and you'll be there.
Okay.
It but Modiana said that relationship now one a move a fun to turn as a crowd because sa relationship now idea we hear nebu and no person who ton bibi. What down for will be. A down for the necessary. Now would treating the end to obey me their free.
Honey, ya mede o treating ye.
Yes.
Enti de o trehe nyina nso no se no kredie ene akoma panta ye kire a obetumi anya botaye no obetumi anya ayonkofo a wo mo wo saa adwen no nanso be firi mu nka wo
Dabi
age se no kredie
wo mensa se on say ni pesi ni pe de nanso anwene nam enti ya hunu nipa se na ye nipa me Bible school teacher bi ka asem kire o se aponche wo we ne wa amti o so ne nam wede
pa
ti ne ehwe
okay
ye hwe ne nam na ehwe na hom tie no
ye be hwe ne nam okay
enti nipa bu obe hia omo a enye nipa nyaa na be treat equally but o down suban papa di kire no ono de okwa ase agomi ha no ha no we ni papa
okay
wo de adwuma ne hye ne sa betumi aye obi anya adwuma foforo akane a oye no sesi a esan ne suban pa ene ayonkofo papa bi a eda wontem.
Okay, enti krache na ode wasem no bae no. Ye gina wasem so ne ato amane obia wo na fiefiem. Efi na ekohyase na hwe ofie. Na ya corrections no. Ebi kura se ye ma o paint ya. Se de obetumi a paint no. Wo che painter wa se da akosua. Wo de ye den.
Me obabi teacher ni. Na next time be call no fie no pama de am say adwa. Na dey say many jiade pam. O kira de no wi a obefie o pama de.
Okay.
It men kasa me teacher ni nti me ntumi nye bibi anka. Your part-time classes obetumi sua de pama de.
Okay.
When him now so teacher ni ye pon a obefie no, obetumi the time no e de pama de.
Okay.
Mpacho obi bia de ba ko a eboa manipa. Otumi ye ne otumi ye e wani da so.
Wani da so.
Enti ade a obese bibia nse wani da so.
Okay.
Bibles ka say me. O say otini ni ani da so. Wori ntwa so da. Enti misro ebrem ni ehia nyame mo, manyame ntawachi. Na monsanfo no so kuti ahen. Ti manyame ntawachi ne kura wani da so no. Na fa modern mo ene ahoden ye. Na bia ka sempa fafa ho. Se na diamond na she green. Ka ade papa fa ho.
Okay.
Na papa beba.
Green ye from ye. Green na homa no ba ekura efe. Green na homa ehuri a eye mono tia na ni da so. Etimi gina sofo dan asemi fa matade green ho se efi na ekono ma wadwen nye green ma okasa nye green ma one yo nye green aya ye nipa yie nso na nipa a wo yo mu yie no besa akwa besia wo na saa ne yo no na ebetimi ama wa ye green abo besia na sia afi nya adwen foforo na ye bibi ye to ofu awie sofo dan nyame nhyia ye dase ntino ye din komo na wie ohun krache fabi firimu e na afi twa besia bo ne so car no odi fi baby enya accident no na akoye maintenance na sa insurance ka kakra no fatofu agum ne koye ne yie ne ko register uber wa ma ho adwuma no aya ma ne so mo amema no kakra ti aduane ne so te nam ne so na fe de o ka kire no aya de kan bo amane wo fie se me sesam fi se sa na akwakoba enti ye di nkomo ye wie ne ye bisa o se o ka omo e ka kromo aye hye no ho ana o ka omo aye ka sa aye den no ho ana o ka omo aye ka se sika mpedede no ho ye da se anope so for den nyaminsha ye da se amen enti mpa cho try me wo ho me ba aka nkomo ba akobi twen me ena ye da bi a ewiase no ye de si ho no mahwe emofra wo mrenso na yawo misa no de na me title pants we yawo na boso me nso ena me nyi ye so mate se brofudi bi das we oye preterm we oye premature ba misa no de na me te we oye boso me nso ba na sa boso me nso ma no aya no mo soso pa aya mo nyi tentem nso but me gidi se bibi ne ye wo enti na ya emo frim emfa ho se omo mranso but aya omo nyi from me gidi se me kan waka akola bi na ye wo na boso me nso no wo se ne hu twa pa onyi kama ye de ebentia well me gidi se wo ye oba wakwa awo so na ebi kura wo de na nnu aboso me nso no na nso wo be wo ba no beto ho no na sebi ye de sa no ma bi o se ekura kakraka bi ama wa nyame am akura bi beta oso ohun eno obi atena se adwen hu se eye nipa na so bibi na ya etochema enti ebetumi aye ne ye in fact many aso pa Miss Selena Bentum nyame nsha se odwen sa de ne ho wan kasa wa wo bi sa da
me pacho ai
wa wo bi sa da enti ye ka se utri nkwa o ba no nie na wani born so no baby a wo da na ye je wa wo no de na ye o sa moment na no
meant me and describe it can is entre no feeling no senia ekoye but me kai say ehun eka me na me rehoye because na me dim say me nya sure say ade me hu ye no enti me nim say akola we de onye ye
di u ka cho ho say ya de maye boni bi ana
oh yeah me
u baby say ho so many questions in fact na me hu bi se machine mu da na dem di mani hu yan kasa me sa de me nsa kan no 11th June this month because St. Dominic's Hospital na ono kra ne de na ye ntafo
okay
na no kra na ye ntafo na ya show mu kakra nti na ebe se bi omo pie fi ye fum no be 2 months abeto so no eno kra na nya grosso obegina no
easy sa
nti eno kra na wo ko obi mu a wanya nto ha wa fato ho so nyame nhia why are there pa wacha yen botaye na wie ne ye a wo ye nti efi sabre no wo ka cho ho se de na ahya ase ye den e na ye digina he
okay and to the African Foundation for Premature Babies and Neonatal Care I think that it's been 7 years yes the area it's been 7 years because they didn't mean English throughout. One moment it's here for good morning. This week this month actually a well prematurity awareness month.
Okay.
17th the day, but we have the entire month to continue. Say any stakeholders are hoodwo omudwumedie no efan nkwala apomudene any matter apomudene ho enti ye be wo so sa in fact ebe boa say ye ntwen ma November emma ansa na yetimi di nkomo etisa o se ye koso ne yenya akwanya say etimi di nkomo etisa enti na this month no so this year no ye promote skin to skin therapy just say ewo ba mosina was abofan enye no ka wakoko ama abofan na ne ho mfaso a wo ma abofan na onye baby no
okay
this year ye promote ye encourage because covid in my hunde otumu si de ye benya challenge bi ho no ma de benya batan po bibi botumu esi abama wa boye hunde ye ntim batan into no ye after covid ye pede ye zen church no kodo de ye botum na ya akoda then ya the therapy no na yesua ne mu benefits. But AFPNC started 7 years ago no I was too smart be menyu ato nti na metimi hu se benyansa eze ye bibi ote dem. But mommer femin ena ohawa na merfema na mentase that na mente science the scientific aspect of why Amerifam made me curious. And a year when I say Amerifam me postpartum depression. Tell my which new you know a how an Amerifam nazen or ma minya akukudrumum kakra. De mpedamita say why they ain't no order bandam. One be no for them and I wasn't able to me okay. Into me extensive what can then extensive research to some extent in there. Yen doctor for nurse for what you mazana pa. Ne mom ye for bibi advocacy. You know church no ye wo may be ye wo more church ama inya evidence for action to drive policy direction whether for formulation or to make changes to improve standards of quality of care. Ne ye wo more ye in church no so ye wo may be ye wo more science e science and say one tasin drew is a bit na ye won church be American mahaw na ye ze mahaw ye mfato ho no obobbo ma atenye me bi ase into the combination of science no nye the experiences matan janom na nanom wone experience community experience no obbo ma ntase you know easy for biso to oji asem na American and when science doesn't make sense to the person into me da gaps na me say doctor for no why you mazene pa but they are limited because when you kakakan go hospital ho abofo fi ho community wo one or church community no how to embrace this family and support them but once on government area adwuma for government to be able to push this agenda and prioritize it and increase investments in the area. Into no other adwuma could be or represent the parent-patient community. Okay, parent-patient community. So parents in the bay or bibiara but order share for both of them. Patients in the year abofana watonen. Untumun chana sem non kasen. One abejina man no ways onye adwumakuru nyina be adwuma so that your team na ya address the issue. So I was inspired to start that kind of organization obenin to have that capacity to play that role to address often concerns on issues are often premature representing this group.
Me jede say na nyame wadwuma de ma enti na oma uhu bin because the obiate no catch no ene de wankasa wafam na wo kana aya na nsonson ye no eye bibio ho nti nyame wo sa adwuma ne ma so de be ma Ghana nti na oma bi eto wo no na wa sha ase so far 7 years obetumi aka se nchirechire yi nti e ma time bi awofo bi obi kura e bi a be ma bi a ye de baby we chen said the oba wo ne odwane ja oba no a me je se sa ne ma nyina wo
oh yes it's in the last 7 years you know nyame adom ye ne local and international partners aye adwuma bom are complete for the 4 project where ye for the 5th project and ye da multimedia say I can't thank Mr. Ken Ansa the entire management team and mu nyina penifo na adwuma ko nyina more asoyas ne say bosumwe mune ya na more support parent patient community to create more awareness and my idea baby munyina because by no obia I am very warm and receptive to us. Everybody, every station I've been on multimedia has been fantastic. Into the last 7 years, you know, more boys on my eye for the 5th project anyway. So the key stakeholders in the institutions be any on my boom. And internationally, is any on my age, man. You are complete for the 4 project. Wow. Am I reaching out to over 200,000 babies and families within Ghana and outside? Over 200,000 babies within Ghana and outside.
No more Ghana. Yes. You warm prematurely.
Yes. Through your policy initiatives, direct any indirect projects in Ghana or other part of Africa, any Ghana. So if it's a project we initiative, we are able to scale it up and partner with other organizations to implement successful hano. Na ya implemented until over 200,000 babies. Yet me I reached out to them through in the last 7 years. Because say ya ntimi anye ne sa will change for the big break. obi ente was because wo sha say obi ente adekonti a wo ye ne wo ye na say but nkakran no ya ba nim ena nyame adom so recognition agenya ewa monane concern ejuma no so ama me nyame adom me som ejuma me som ejuma yi no ama me so menti ase no akwanim because nyame adom by training no professional training there me were experience in leading organizations but as a mother shifting as an advocate on maternal and newborn health or we say mama akwanya bebre Ghana within a Ghana Health Service Dr. Isabella Segomos Emra World Family Health Unit Child it creates opportunity for me to have a seat at the table to help influence policy and make contributions abwa amedwana aiden akwenim amana so say nya award from the European Foundation for the Care of Newborn for recognizing our contribution ka contribution just say ejuba binum ye nime kakra edeboa yes so ye dia ye no EFC and I Germany Europe no and also crime. I was voted to serve on the Parent Advisory Board for the European Foundation for the Care of Newborn Infants. And also Abwama minim die won ye ekoso wo atre nti sada mitimi de nyame sua no e de ba e de boa mi team no any other key stakeholders ama mitimi amadwuma na akwanim nti in the last 7 years no yetimi aboye ho modern kakra ye hwe se ne eda yanim no ye betimi edijuma na mana akwanim.
In fact figure na oboy no kra no ese nkran do it means that ewo ho ena global de na beka ho no kra che se enye Ghana nko na esi it is obi o Ghana na okwa awoso na owo baby sa enye duabo enye de ya na ya dwenkyereye no enye sofo bebo mpaye manasem science because Selina kasa nim nyina no waka science nti de ya be mansuo ye nipa wo oba mu no nyame nanim nti eba ne sa na Selina my number what na am for be fro because ye kasa obi o ho a afekura ne de edikan a what say say me hawa me womu obi wo hu nim de na ya asafo
me pese me cancel just say ye medical experts or any issue medical issue around prematurity call hospital find onyem oba time call antenatal care ne e be kire no diso wo ba ne e be kire wo say ye no because even though your system no your medical system no e be ntumi fa toto amana no ho de but me ka kire wo say edwuma na ma ye kakra no ye were doctor and nurses for omo ye edwuma dem pa who wear their hearts on their sleeve. I don't know how they're going to say it in chief. What was it? When we mention omo fi omo eboa service say ma. Na so the Roman ka honti yente. Into wembo me nka say e perfect. Ye nka say problems any hono. It is a wo person wo fra mesre ye nya dwumaku a ye ma medical way. Na ye dwuma na ye no ye advocacy, we raise funds, we support to improve standards of care and strengthening stakeholder partnership. It even so be our baby bisa but o here ho arechichere nsem ono no mfrem and na make say ho apomuden nsem no dey hospital but o she ho ne so because edwuma dey ye ne nyina ye ne hospital for na ma me ahye system no mu can say strength kena ya she mu kena am edwuma am wo kwa a wenya mbo a wo hia enti say wo mbo pepesa wo de boa ye wo project ye friend no Pebble Basket Initiative. Pebble Basket Initiative, and this is what happens. Me start here, me call hospital na me who say problem is the same. Why are we enough? And it's very expensive to care for your baby when Nico honum. And to me de me no ma ye here no matter ni here for baby ne on one honor. Me de two ekoma bad time be matter me no omba. Since that time you distribute over 11,000 to Pebble Basket to 22,000 babies and families in 6 regions of Ghana. Jumakuo ni individuals and our boy meeting RHE house and your intervention. Yeah, technical and scientific projects. But when no Pebble Basket ne the ode ba the top basket ne the akoboa. But no dey person ye dey ba yen frɛ. And no wait me afre 055 779 4040 Pacho Bobio 055 779 4040. Okay. But me can try to say you encourage skin to skin care therapy no. Say you feel hospital na would see me you if you wanna coffee and I say would see me na say won e bin to that. Nyoma me ensa obetimi aye. Ba kon don't stigmatize. Bu matan yo mofa we no animutia. and na say jabi so abandon the bawe we na my enye impendent more more time yet na mom no yen support and encourage parents no to practice skin to skin therapy.
Okay.
So do if
Miss Selena Bentum, nyame sure said the offer because
you.
obi o ha eto na afei afa ne chirim kra na akwa bi ho but eto wo no wagina no e de sesa amanfo abrabo nyame sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. And the skin to skin so e come kuma pa bi hwe say wakoye bone kra na dream ka be fie na wo maame ache wafa ne bo unse wo kuma to yem bi na imagine say baby set sa time bia na omo hye wo bo na wo kuma ene mofra no kasa nyame sure na no mu nyina na nyame sure meseli na bentum so ene o team ni nyina yeah that's it but so me no wie enti practice way aya afa bi so koto pink basket nim purple basket no na yemfa moa na wiase ene na mu ni pe hia moa pa cho ye din komo na wie anopa enso me da se no adaje obi bia o be kan man hene kwabna santene na busua ho e ma dadada akon aye na ye wie no nyame nhyira obia. Good morning.
Mama nyina kwa ba biemfa na sekese nkoma mama chira da mo se ode efisem dwumedie ebre ye free staff confirm se nonkono ebebo medinde akwasi insia pense mu enie ewo Badwam on Adom TV, live on Facebook, live on YouTube. So na DSTV na Go TV, multi TV channels no. Obenya live and so ewo honom. Ye fa na sekese nkoma Hepa Plus mixture. E de papa pen na Badwa so biaja tum na ye bom pen faba so mo de do we aba ebo na kodetia entry di yade. O member bi etondo be akwa nsa ebeka bi atosa so na Franco Trading Enterprise so kan se phone papa na dwosuo ene ehodom tu perform ya ne bo ewo fomfom beche ede amawa eye Franco Trading Enterprise o TV fridge air condition ene ma bi ede sese dem bia akoma kachi wo enkran komase a obenya bi ato o sanso na culture co toothpaste patwoje atwos na asenya kamawate eye bidie na na ede aye bidie na de good body tresu ede twies no eno na culture co toothpaste ye de aye eti ahode na obidiem sa ahode krona bi ena ewombi supermarket bi abekobi a also pe culture co toothpaste ni bi ena ato Oko hospital doctor catch so ohia mojedura na ohia eye city blood tonic. City blood tonic. Me ko da so yasne e me de pensem djubadie bro. On behalf of Omahene Kwabena Asante and his family. Yakoso kase da bu nyina mase. Especially Asante man se moje ye fel so e ma ye papa dako yakope ne kurabia asumdwe mu. Mu amonya bre enso e bae from the vice president. ABC obi bi obaye bia so. Omahene busunyasi odawase and sir the better. Very good morning to you also Juliet Yawo Amstead o Kumase campus anopemechiao sebibia ehye yede yame ase abajafo atnase Sylvester Tete a member of parliament madehye wo Botiano English among from constituency in the Greater Accra region so na Edem Agbana a deputy national youth organizer de NDC amayoko Edem akode
Nyame Adom yego so na sabi bia boko weekend no anka me plan yese na me bua me so baba Kumase na any Omahene will mourn with him but won't say you were a campaign season into emergencies be by but I hope say bibia akoso ya and there Nyame ase
campaign so koyi
oh yego so na ya bompae na ye juma so come December 17th by 18th there now the Honorable Johnson has said we get the national chairman of the NDC and there we are very confident Nyame Adom abebaso
okay Edem Abananso say spokesperson the Johnson has said we get a campaign team for national chairmanship position
yes
Odawo
Abozi
Botiano English among from edge say nsu ejiri ede farm mo aso anu akosi say
Menua mama nchia na menchia menyonko Edem Agbena na menim say wa jump wo ofuriampofo ship no mo I know say I said okay boy na as a deputy national youth organizer na national chairman eco election with general secretary co election na wa jump is shall you careful
It's all in the interest of the party.
Menchia Ashrefor ni etiefo nyina kankan Botiano English amount from constituency for na fensu. Menchia Jack Sparrow or Tamale is one of the vibrant young men in Tamale. And ra minya kwan ekoja era Alanche Mantin any adofo eko share yenua ba Fadila ekosie no krakra musie no benra na in line with the Islamic tradition no here in 40 days adwa ewo Tamale nimpenimfo ahodo na koye said ye honestly gie fell so wo Tamale na esewani ensewo kachre enti meda Tamale mebunu nyina ase na fe mama ebusuafo hyede na at the same time so menua omanhene unfortunately I couldn't make it because na me wo funerals bear 5 or my constituency. It was quite difficult for me. But I was with him in spirit. Adolfo Ahudo Ekoye Mane Yefe. Now, it's true, but I know English I'm from. In fact, I'm actually 3 a.m. Now I'm chief director, HRT, based on the development. Finally, Wakachemi has been approved. The processes for contract award is ongoing. I do actually to see, especially when you move a Jasco Junction to Red Top to West Hills Mall. No? A portion from West Hills Mall to Donkona, a friend of Red Top, part of it, 2.5 kilometers, has already been awarded to a Chinese company. They are supposed to have started work. I mean, say their capacity, they can easily do the 2.5. And then from a Jasco Junction, I could share a hono, or also ebe started Juma about 4 kilometers of roads. So I go through processes. Beyond that, Uko Baby is the old barrier all the way to Tuba. That is the entire coastal stretch is in deplorable state. The minister had indicated, and I think so. Portions of it, we are looking at a total of about 40 kilometers of roads
within the constituency,
and then 30 kilometers of drains. I know but I don't know my respite. In fact, there are roads contractors for the last 2 years had abandoned the job. I've written officially, medical minister na re-awarded those contracts too, and also back on streamer. In fact, it will help to ease the road problem. And it's so far so very good. Mesre say oninya abutrek akrama me. They've been patient. My constituency and Krofwa, they've been extremely patient with me, and then the government for that matter. Say in the face of all these things, no demonstrations in Yama Bianco. Of course, I've maintained say for the grievances they have a right to express it, but the grievances alone is not enough to bring the roads. But intervention for activism. Last week, Joy News, I've never shared the responsibility. Say, me as a member of parliament, me can't say, me need capacity to construct the road. My strength, lobby to be an advocate for it. And in that score, if you have been demanding, I've never shared that responsibility. So they should keep faith with me. Definitely, we'll see the light at the end of the day.
Okay, Sylvester, Nyami, when is there possible to be ready 2023 budget?
Well, tentatively, I mean, it's been confirmed that the budget statement will be read on Wednesday, coming Wednesday. So we are looking forward. Originally, 24th, but there were issues of the Black Stars March and the rest. So we're trying to get it done by 23rd, which is from the compliance. But because of financial constraint, that money, there's nothing about financial constraints about it. You see, 5% must go. So it's only one CDR, the 5% must go. And it's a whole estimate. Say, 1 million Ghana cedi a year. Now we will estimate. Now we have 1 million. Nobody hangs you. And I can speak on authority. That 6 quarters is owed the administrator. And you see, at the end of every financial year, we know the actuals and we know the estimate. There's always a balance. And there should be clarity. This one is not the NPP or NDC. Previous government has also defaulted, which I think is unfortunate because the law does not give anybody any discretionary powers over common fund. You media people should investigate that matter, whether or not the common fund had been paid. Yes, now saying 2 quarters of it had been paid. But I'm reliably informed. On many occasions, the common fund administrator goes to borrow money to pay. Yes, and so who pays the interest? Yes, who pays the interest?
Common fund administrator borrows
to pay. So who pays the difference?
So there are a lot of issues with the common fund. And yet limited to this administration.
Okay.
We've taken cognizance of the law. It's not limited to this administration. But we should look at the situation where 6 quarters of common fund had not been paid. Meanwhile, these are statutory payment that nobody has discretion about it. As to how much you had, any problem.
Okay.
So when you have 1 CDR, it's 5%. When you have 100 CDs, it's 5%. So there shouldn't be a time that somebody will cite any reason for not compliance on that particular portion of the statute.
But that's all. Adam. President assurance, response.
Well, by NHIC
Wednesday budget.
I think say President Akufo-Addo metie ne speech na president say bibia be ye and everything will be fine.
Yeah.
That is the expectation of every Ghanaian. Eba economy they be make say any politics. Because I make fuel stations, I make top fuel. The same amount of money I may spend it, I made it top fuel no. The same amount and an MPP for any other political parties for no so be top fuel. Intina say a bad issue about the economy. That's a discuss here. We have to look at the facts. We have to speak to the data. We have to speak to the truth about the economy, the status of the economy. Is the president or my assurance, as a leader there, in times of difficulty, expected, say, Obama assurance, because now you're a leader, you have to sell hope to the people. So what the president said, there is nothing wrong with it. But beyond giving assurance, no, there is a critical issue as to whether or not assurance now woman you trust so to me deliver. Because if you have been involved in running this economy and you have given hope on several occasions, as president, as the leader of this country, now say you take your words for it, actions, any words no, and you're consistent. So why do I have to trust President Akufo-Addo again? They be make us say, by your politics more. President Akufo-Addo, you're one of the people Okasa. I treat it with a pinch of salt.
No, that's not fair. Please.
No. And yet disrespectful. Honorable, Debbie. Mama making me point. Me say, maybe the construction and the way I'm making. What I'm trying to say is, in the politics or in the history of Ghana's politics, President Akufo-Addo is one of the presidents or Kasa. He just speaks, but he doesn't do it.
Okay.
He says a lot, but he does nothing. But to me, countless examples of Nyoma President Akufo-Addo kaya onye. Inti sa okaya nesu muma jide and amunya jide economy no meteni no around may ensure economic stability. I can't believe him because me trust no. So obeye kasa keke. Okay, during the COVID time, President Akufo-Addo catch us they know how to bring your friend is economy alive back to life. But what he cannot do, say Obama ebia dead bodies, no, he will resurrect them. Something similar. And you can a plagiarized speech, but let's credit him with it. Okay, and what has happened? Yesterday, President Akufo-Addo and any economic management team members, and I catch Ghana for so baby they will never go to IMF. Now say E-levy now implement E-levy and no enough to bring back the economy to life. Okay. What has happened?
O see E-levy no and take you full force.
Oh, now at the time I must start here, say your warning must say that 6.9 billion now moving from the E-levy no. You cannot realize it and you're realistic. It wasn't the way to go. But we say oh there be more and money economics.
Yes, more crimes are too good man for advance.
At the end of the said then say 11 year to ya. I still send money. Because at the end of the transfer of money or mobile money there, it is the most convenient. Into money buy no, we still pay. And on power we transfer the car come obi. I paid E-levy. Into the American say President Akufo-Addo. Yes, or my assurance, say Obama assurance. But beyond assurance no, You interrogate the president's commitment to ensuring say your economy no you deliver back to life.
Okay.
2 things are very important. One, President assure say economy no back to life. Have we diagnosed the problems with the economy? One of the problems is reckless expenditure. Measures men are president able to me I take his CR because of economic hardship no as president they have cut down on expenditure. On about some 30% pay cut and all of that. But don't name the ecoso. Based on pay cut, the supposed 30% pay cut no. The fact that as we speak today, the president and presidents in Ankasa, they are still embarking on a lot of reckless expenditure. So the president is still flying around the world with expensive, luxurious private jets.
When was the last time?
The last time president your friend is Britain offer plane ben offer.
Oh, you sue commercial.
Commercial ben.
Oh, you sue commercial.
No, say a year no. They were say a year there was a stand commercial ben or use.
Can I see our call? UK court.
The honorable Okujeto Ablakwa Eddie record by to prove say all kono omudi commercial echo your friend is saying echo London.
Okay.
From London no or now omu use private jet to the other locations. Say down and now you ahin kan ebe announce so say figures now your quote na enye nukure ni dem but what is established say they are still doing that. Again no call presidency wa. We still have close to 3,000 people omu ye juma of Flagstaff House. I need designation ma omu.
3,000.
Yes.
It's not true.
Last time na model list by it was what?
Jubilee in 3,000.
And me say close to there say.
No, what
the figure no?
What are the figures?
What are the figures? 2018, 2019 mo the figure no buy no. It was over 2,200.
It's not true.
Now you saying
it's not true.
Then you try then
don't make a wild allegation.
As I said, would the mind make catch you said you have not done any reduction in those figures.
You finish.
Okay, like number nankasa or mode estati almoka and 17 no. Or monte so.
Me say me na make catch you say as we speak they are still adding money they say they are still adding. Who can say there was a ministry headed by Howard Kumsin. Now a friend of special
initiatives.
Special initiatives.
Yeah.
Omo dissolving ministry no. Omo ko set up a bureaucracy of Flagstaff House. Ko share budget no. Recently now one of the MPs had the figures the buy. The amount of money now you're spending on that ministry at the time and now ministry no. That money has moved by over 300% at the time I'm over setting up as a structure under the presidency. All of this is our ministry.
2021. Let me give you figures. It is 995. It is not close to 2,000.
995 and then 2021. What did you submit to Parliament?
That is the
numbers now must submit to Parliament.
995 is close to 2,000.
And I'm saying the numbers now must submit to Flagstaff House.
When you run 995, is up to 2,000.
Numbers now will submit to Parliament. 995. 995.
Yes, but as of 2018, 998. That was as of 2018.
Me say 995.
Numbers men are most submitted to Parliament.
So if you have the contract numbers,
because now all Parliament.
The numbers are 995.
How many were submitted to Parliament? At the end of the day, reckless expenditure. It is still going on. Until the president want to make a commitment, be cut it down. The same president are talking about how the economy in the beba, or that's who using VAT purposely dedicated to carrying on only chair. Purposely dedicated to carrying on only chair president, akonya president betina so. You will V8 back or ko baby a V8 no or V8 no or driver or more security man sa akonya no.
Debbie.
Then now when who can no?
Debbie.
Say then.
Adam.
Akwesi
when one name say V8 back. You will pictures, you will videos. Our presidential convoy. Adam who name man.
I have been part of the convoy for some months ago.
And that
car now, you see a akonyane woman. What I saw in the car when we were moving, one of the security cars in Ebi. Yeah, a empty car with only a driver. Now it is a car, maybe it is a car. Yeah, driver woman. you nipa baako at the front and the
nipa na out front or then
omni security president
and I make us say chair no security driver we say we dispute me then you know collaborate
let me tell say part of the president's security details na aircon akwesi and omo bu akwesi na ye bu akunya ba kwatum and omo de chair no check so it is not say
fact ni ye fact no kre no wo ha yenka no kre ni say ye wo man pani a ono ohun no say as president no oba Adom TV
yeah
oko ohini bi ho ewo sehwe oko ha oko che bia akonya na amube man no ta akonya no no de on deserve sa akonya he deserves more into your theater ekita akonya aye onu ankasa na akonya oba wo na onu adi na akonya aba ofi na visitor be na wo receive ya visitor no onu ankasa di na akonya aba it me call no me call me senior brother honorable Sylvester Teta me fam akonya for because me interest akonya de be ma me na say wo theater carry sa your driver e chanika ta viet na de it no kro no wa enka
de je ma me no wo se wo peti o hwa na pitch na kwa ese you should have two car no
because of me say you two sa car no because of akonya because nanti governor on work car no no
oh this
V8 the president is moving with a convoy of over 40 V8s
and I just say
the security details want to me say who person will cut expenditure we have to get to a point that President Nubukrabe to be announced.
Say, cutting down president security details.
Obi Ankasa cutting down security details. But one of the things over to me I say, even soldier for Komuko Bibia, they have these mini buses almost to me use it. You don't need to have 50 V8 spread with security details to before it shows what security. And then want to me use it bus to add up to a certain number to reduce the numbers. Me see you are Konya. Ye the president na konya your V8 ye the president akonya eshem with a driver and the security how guide this akonya
will you also say as a president took coin near say the president a bag ya na niema wom eto car mu say ye ne no enkwa can you classify say ye wo car the president entire etu coin na
press car na president no team no V8 na president no team no and then e chire hono bag into me shawana.
So say and so when say unka say ya should to car back kwa president
say o to kwan na say o car o bag e wo boot mo a it's normal but the make can say you wo V8 back wa dedicated to the president's chair
David
who now who can ya can we should that presidency they have not been able to declare
the president before
but we have seen the president's convoy we have seen videos we have seen pictures of the V8
and your picture will be a video will be a
but are you saying say ye ni V8 educated president
me say ye ni V8 ye ni V8 ya dedicated
say you dedicated to the chair
that security details that security officials no calms mo ni president chiana is that what you are saying?
What I'm saying is president is too quiet or security details bebre
and
several cars ebi mu in front of the president ebi mu back ebi mu to me dinner side and all of that me say you were V8 are dedicated to the president's chair ah ko baby okita ono angasa na konya
ye ni V8 bia
president say Lazarus way na
ye ni V8 bia o musa me hunu bibi sa wo
ka ba salon ka na ye carry way na
na V8 bia ye dedicated say ye dey for president car
no we expect some people catch us akwesi
but that's all ya correct Badwam die hwe ba isi okay enche Mary demo message amune ato Facebook ni nyina ebi but Sylvester
yes minia clearly minia Adam he or ha say obeye propaganda na obeye propaganda ebi a share NDC full soldiers na why your propaganda no na nsema wo ken the media person or a neutral person out here. We can't just only president to on many occasions. You need V8 are dedicated to president travel. Look, I will see, yeah, it's Nipa Wuni, and I say ergonomics. Go find what ergonomics is. Yen the time take your health serious, and also be back. A cognac would so. Who height, actually, the type of a cognac was so national.
Yeah,
it may affect you. It is not for the luxury of it. Oko office now complaining with here. The first thing they do, the height of your decks. What is so? And then the kind of a konya was so national. Man Ghana Nibia and TSA propaganda way. Now,
say Moyen is answer. Then people will then question. I na president ko outside Ghana on fa akonya ne nko.
Mami control for obia akwa.
Okay.
Wo height. Ekonya ose otena so.
Okay.
Enye 1 feet or.
Okay.
How long otena approach and how long so quarter okrom ha. How long na odi wo.
Okay.
It's also important.
Okay.
You can sacrifice your comfort and as you can sacrifice your health for few minutes other than the lifetime.
So it means approach okay, but Ghana very difficult.
For instance, you call 1 day, 2 days. Now we free more. You can sacrifice it and say, we do 1 week, 2 weeks.
Okay.
So wow health. That's a situation be bad. Now say we make it sacrifice. You can make a sacrifice for a day or 2.
Okay.
But you can't make a sacrifice for your lifetime.
Okay.
Important.
Okay.
I feel so I can say about 2,000 staff. And a good Jubilee House.
Presidential
staff. And you no cry. Me man official report to Parliament. Numbers are a Parliament. Okuja told the started our propaganda no, until they brought the numbers. So listen to me. You were Minister of State back in presidency. You were presidential staffers 44. 44. And son you were junior political appointees 292. And you were civil and public sector employees 658. Okay, 2,000 and no 1,000. So where is your approximation to 2,000? Where is your approximation? The Betran network is so now Boweni, he can't say. These are the facts. Open so about Parliament.
We now Odibayano is disputed. For example, Osemu only one Minister of State at the presidency.
Me catch the last time I did.
You see, Odi list no about Parliament. You're disputing here because there are many other people and when for example, Modi Bayano at the time Modi list the Bayano. You're disputing here based on
who disputed what?
We disputed
you and who? You and who?
I say in your NDC you're disputing list. No?
Who official? Bring me an official position. Bring me an official position.
And I hear some say come with their designations. The Modi designations.
We brought the designations.
Modi will be to say lady in waiting and also their position.
What is lady in waiting?
I said no so count.
It is not that. Let's not.
There was something like that on the list. Lady in waiting. No pay. Evidence now.
Maybe Sao say. Mami, who disputed the official records to Parliament? Parliament is a house of records. And don't think now, most artists are essential motion where you've been exposed. Because the things you say on your propaganda, your campaign
propaganda.
No, listen.
The issue is that about expenditure. Under the MPP, under NDC now, as a presidency, Office of Government Machinery. Now you're spending on the average 700 million. Budgetary allocation to Office of the President, 3.1 billion.
You don't understand.
In the issue of the 3.1 billion. Figures. There are many more people working at the presidency. It's open say you cut it down expenditure. Drop down the numbers.
Please.
That is the spirit of the conversation.
May catch say he should not be fixated by the fact that if the Office of Government Machinery budget cost rise as a result of staff he should get it. There were 3 development authorities. Northern Development Authority, Middle Belt Development Authority, and then Coastal Development Authority. One more budget hitherto were not at the Office of the Government Machinery. It's been moved there. Then there was Zongo Development Authority. Its budget is at the Office of the Government Machinery.
But I've buyer from 92.
It is not. You didn't have
special
that.
Initiative.
You don't.
Even the bitches said Maslok. They were still under the presidency. They were still under the president, under every government.
Please.
And the Maslok and the NDC under presidency.
I've given you
that's again excuse. Constrain the 3 development authorities now all canon. You share on figures though. You subtract it from the 3.1. I'm telling you, you are overspending. You are overspending, honorable.
You must admit the fact, sir. The civil servant and the public servant. Wamunyina ituya woka. Sankrofono. Say Jubilee House, they are still part of the public sector workers. That is about 2/3 of the entire staff.
But almost salary no and cap out of the 3.1 billion.
What are you talking about?
We are civil or public servant. Now say controller accountant general. How does your this thing
when you do your budget?
Are they paid from the office of the presidency?
That you have.
They are not paid from the office of the presidency. Let's do the calculations right.
But who told you that the staff of Jubilee are not paid by controller? Who said they are not paying?
Very good. What have indicated the American? You are saying that Una say this 3.1 billion ebe accounted for by the salaries of civil and public servants.
I told you
that budget for 3.1 is not. It doesn't go into payment of salaries. It doesn't go into payment of salaries.
Are you not done? You are making noise. You are not making noise.
Because I am proving it wrong.
Thank you.
Please. Because we may not conclude.
I'm up for
3.1 billion.
Please stop making the noise.
It is not noise. Please, it's not noise. I'm correcting you, sir. You have spent 3.1 billion on the presidency, and that is not accounted for by salaries. Let's get that basic fact.
I've made it clear.
Okay.
That please stop. I've made it clear that Office of Government Machinery, the budget is up as a result of these important 3 development authorities.
Yeah, Baba.
One budget is part of it.
Okay.
You should get that clear, please. And again, zone development, we are not talking about salaries. I'm not talking about salaries. You were quoting figures, and I'm telling you how the figures got there.
How did the figures get there? How did the figures get there? That special needs cannot account for the 3.1 billion.
Remember, 2 minutes now you
are displaying so much ignorance about the discussion.
Which ignorance?
You are.
Because I'm putting you right and correcting you. What is the ignorance?
So the figures you are quoting is as a result of these 3 or 4 development authorities whose budget are all pushed.
Their entire budget.
Is at the Office of the Government Machinery. So you should get it. So go and check all these 4 development authorities, budget, before you can make a claim whether we are overspending or otherwise. Again, I've also made a point, say, the staff of Jubilee House are made up of public and civil servants. It's not all of them that they are political appointees. So all these staff that are seconded, in the absence of them at Jubilee House, they are still part of our public sector wage. Okay? So whatever they pay, if you have people assigned to Jubilee House and they are drawing salaries from consolidate, they should indicate where they are working and all that. That is why we submitted to Jubilee House. So when you make a wild allegation, you've increased it from 700 million to 1.2 billion. To that extent, you should be able to give the details as what accounted for that increment. And I've told you 4 development authorities, Coastal Development Authority, all the projects done in Volta region are part of the Office of the Government Machinery budget that you are talking about.
Nukreni da wa yenka na nukreni yese
nukreni da wa nka
under president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo your expenditure and expenses our office of the president are increasing by over 350%. Now 700 million na average under NDC omubaya are increasing to over 3.1 billion at the presidency. Now, South Development Authorities now all canon, they are not what is accounting for that expenditure. Expenses at the presidency. Expenses be to say, for example, there issues of presidential convoy now, all of those things. It's all parts. Now, especially Kennedy Japan, MPP MP, one of your colleagues, who senior colleague, or catcher say, for even a Josephine to come down from the United States, Oba Ghana, no, presidency, no, through the chief of staff, mu pay no, over $60,000. That is the useless, reckless expenditure you can. And these are the things that you can want them. And these are their facts. So at the end of the day, say, Kasamu increase the expenditure. Stop quoting all those expenses because the fact does not support that.
You have
Ukraine say 3.1 billion I'm spending is on very, very reckless expenditure.
But I say, all of those things. A quick one. Uncle for 2022 budget. Over 2022 budget, the detailed expenditure of the Office of Government Machinery is stated there.
But I say, so the microphone is now off. Sylvester Tete, so MP for Botiano English, a man from constituency. Within the acquisition, and a second my work by Kofi and Pedro Presla, Renoff, and Yanamo Aka Council, Light Camera, MC Amunia, Yadamasi. You may not watch now. You better say this year. Background.